beautiful daughter.
Welcome, mommy.
Thank you.
Oh my! How's the journey?
It's okay. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi.
You see, I told Hyacinth, I said, Mom is going to be here in a few minutes. But he said, no, don't set the table. Mom is still far away, you see.
So Hyacinth doesn't know that you have foresight, that you can see from far.
Mom, look at you. You look amazing.
Hi. Thank you.
Mom, you look so beautiful.
Thank you, my dear.
I envy you. So, I made a sumptuous meal. When Hyacinth told me you were coming, I said, no, I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm going to stay back and make something amazing for mommy to eat. So that when she eats, she's going to testify I'm a good cook.
Hi! I can't wait for my son to put ring in your finger.
Oh, I can't wait to, mommy. Thank you. Okay, Mom, I know you were so funny, so let's go straight to the dining so you can eat.
Dining?
Yeah, Mom, that's the dining there. Let's go. Mommy,
straight to the dining?
Yes.
Oh.
Sit.
Really?
Sit. Yes, Mom, you have to sit.
Okay.
So let's go upstairs and drop your bag, and then I'm going to say hi to him that he's walking.
Let him come here.
Okay.
Yeah, my son.
So I'm just going to tell Hyacinth that you are here. Let me take him upstairs.
Yes.
Mommy, I love you.
I love you too.
Hyacinth. Thank you, Mommy. I know you like it, so I made it specially for you.
Yeah. I can put ring in this handle. Let another man not come and snatch her away from you. No, for him quick.
No man will take her away from me.
Ah.
I'll drop possible.
Okay, well, I hope so.
No, where?
Yes, I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, that's good. You don't go anywhere.
My eyes, the people in the village.
They are fine. They are very well.
I hope you know you're not going back. You're not going back soon.
How can you say a thing like that? I'll go back to my husband's house and keep it warm. Have you forgotten I have farmlands?
Which farmland? Farmland, I can pay people to go and work in your farmland. You have to stay. See, if you come immediately, you just go.
I support you.
You will stay. Every time you and farm meeting. You, as you're here now, you rest. At least for some months, like 2 months, 3 months. Yeah, we'll start talking about going back.
If you knew that you would tell me, why didn't you tell me so I'll pack more clothes? What I came with is only the dress I'll use for 2 days.
Mom.
What is mom?
So I can now afford to buy you clothes in a boutique. You're not actually excused. You're not going anywhere.
I need to go and inform the woman leader.
Mom, you leave that thing. I'll take you shopping. Don't worry. Just relax. You need to rest. He's right.
Rest.
You need rest.
I need rest.
Stop.
Baby, please, I'm horny. I want you to give it to me, please.
Stop this thing now. Have you started again? Stop now. Stop. Must we do this all the time?
Baby, why are you behaving like this now? Please don't even start. Just give me this thing now, eh? Why are you stressing me? Please, baby, come and give me this thing, please.
Leave this thing you're doing now. Stop this thing. I've told you this. We'll do this anyhow you want, any style you want it. After our wedding night. Just try and hold yourself now. Is it hard to do? Just try and hold yourself.
Hyacinth, I'm a human being. I'm a human being, for crying out loud. I have blood flowing through my veins. How am I even supposed to explain that I'm in a relationship? I have a fiance that cannot satisfy my sexual urge. What kind of a thing is that?
I have blood flowing through my veins too. Okay? But I'm telling you to be patient. Just be patient. You know these things.
Hey, babe. What kind of a thing is this? What kind of a man will even have a girlfriend that don't make out with that girlfriend? Unless that person is cheating. What kind of a man does that?
That's me. I'm that kind of man that will wait after our wedding night. That's the proper way to do things. That's the proper way to do things as a Christian. I should be repeating the same thing all the time.
Hyacinth, this thing you're doing is not nice, oh. This thing you're doing, you're just punishing me unnecessarily, eh? I'm okay, baby, please, now, I beg you.
Leave this thing. Just
Okay, just
one.
Please, I beg you now.
I have made the worst mistake in my life. Right now,
Hyacinth, please keep getting ready for when you prepare your breakfast.
Hey, babe. What is it?
Hyacinth, if you are in my shoes, will you be happy?
Babe, look, I know how you feel, okay? But I just want you to stay strong. Just stay strong. It's equally hard for me.
Hyacinth, say, the truth is that if this is the decision you've taken, I can't do it with you because I, Valerie, cannot be in a relationship where I can't have sex. I can't do it.
Wait, are you trying to leave me? Oh, baby, if you leave me, I will die. I will die.
Do the needful. Do the right thing, baby. Make love to me. Make me feel like a woman. I'm tired of staying months without having sex. Don't you get it?
I know, I understand. It's equally hard for me. I'm human. Okay? I could swear that no man will be this reserved. It's hard. You will not believe for more than 2 years I haven't had sex.
What are you saying?
Right?
I don't understand.
Yeah, that's the truth.
Wait. You just said for 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
Like 2 years, you've not had sex. Like you've not touched any woman. You've not been with any woman. No.
Never. I haven't.
Why? Don't you have urge?
Of course I do have urge. Am I not human? But you know, when you have this decision, I had this decision that I will never do it until I'm married. I will do it with that woman I call my wife. As a matter of fact, at my wedding night, that's a strong decision I took and I want to keep to it. So I don't want you to spoil it for us. It's hard, but I'm doing it. This is keeping to my words. This is a bond I have with myself. Please. We should be concerned on just, speeding up our marriage plans so that we can just get started. Not doing this. Because trust me, I'm holding myself for that. I'm holding myself till this course is hard. Look at, you're sexy. What I do is when I look at her, I just look out so I don't.
So you insisted that your mom should stay back after her visit?
I think it's better. What else is happening in the village if not farm work?
Well, I agree with you. Your mom has come of age to enjoy the fruit of her labor and she has to rest.
Exactly.
What about Valerie? Is everything alright?
Everything is fine, she's still on the making love thing, she wants her husband, her man. That's what we're still battling with.
Well, I understand. I mean, I am so sensitive to her pain. Well, I just hope she gets better.
Yeah, well, I'll make it up to her soon.
I mean, you have to put a ring on that finger and take her to the altar. Because I cannot wait to be your best man,
Yeah, we're in this together.
I tell you, I mean, it's awful, man.
Where's Valerie?
She told me that she was going to see her sister.
Her sister?
Didn't she tell you?
No, she didn't tell me.
Did you two have a misunderstanding?
Not at all. I'm just surprised she's not in the bedroom.
Call her on phone. Maybe she forgot. Just call her to hear from her.
Alright.
Welcome.
Hey, wait. You mean to tell me that since both of you started dating, you've not had it?
My dear sister, it baffles me. It really baffles me. We've not.
Okay, so is there a reason to this?
Well, he said, we're not making out until we get married.
That's impossible.
Really? You think I'm joking? I'm just going to open my mouth. I'm not bluffing. I'm serious. That was what he said.
Okay. What if he's cheating?
My thoughts as well. I've thought about this whole thing. I've thought it through. Because tell me a man in this time and century will have a girlfriend and not make out with a girlfriend. It's weird.
I hope you won't be surprised when you find out that he's having it with one girl out there.
Scarlett, stop scaring me. Stop it.
Stop what? I'm telling you the truth. You know I'm a realist.
He's calling again.
Pick the call now. Talk to him. Come on.
No, I don't want to.
Ignoring him will not solve anything either.
Scarlett, the only thing Hyacinth wants to tell me now is to come back to that house, and I'm not going back.
I thought you said you love him. Talk to him.
Yes, I love him, Scarlett. You know that I love him. But right now I'm confused. I think I need some time, okay, to put myself together.
That's why you still need to talk to him. You need to hear him out.
Till I'm pleased to.
Come on, sis. Don't be like that.
I don't understand you, Scarlett. Why are you thinking from the both sides of your mouth? You just said I should break up with him. So what are you saying?
I said you should break up with him. True. But you refused. You said you're in love with him. So talk to him. He dates you. You need to go and see him. You need to talk to him. You're in love with him. You can't leave him, right? We are talk to him now.
Scarlett, please, I'm famished. I'm tired, okay? Can you just stop? Please.
I will stop. Just pick the call. I'm not picking the call. Come on, drag the phone. Pick the call. I'm not picking my phone! Stop.
Verily, I thought you said you'd be back after seeing your sister. I've not seen you.
Mom, I'll come back tomorrow.
It seems you're busy with something over there.
Yes, Mommy. I have to complete some project I'm working on.
That means after the project you come.
Yes, Mom, I'll come over.
I can't wait to see you. I've missed your delicacies.
Don't worry, Mom. I'll give you a treat.
Okay, see you tomorrow then. Take care of yourself, okay?
Alright, Mom. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Love you.
That sweet you today
Adams!
might bring you sorrow.
What is wrong with this boy?
What's that sweet you today might bring you sorrow. Joy and bitterness depends on the choice.
Why did you hit me like that?
You don't hear the sleep. Person they not for
The person there for good, don't forget that. The person die.
Go do your work.
Who's what? Eve!
But many have lost. Oh, many have lost dignity. Many have lost everything. Oh, many have lost their dignity. Many have lost everything. Many have lost their dignity because of decisions which they've made. Just because I want to be good.
No. Eh? Why did you take your time to open the gate? What were you doing?
I'm sorry, madam.
Please, you should not repeat itself again. I don't like it. Okay.
No problem.
Miranda, how are you?
Fine, ma. Make I help you, ma.
Alright, thank you.
You want to find small money from madam now? You buy tips.
Nothing concern you.
I'll call your name for you.
Eh? Nothing concern you in this Miranda, it's okay. It's okay. Just let him be. It's okay. Point of correction, please. She doesn't carry my bag because she wants to collect anything from me. This is what she has been doing. Okay? Don't just mind him. Let's go inside. It's fine. Don't mind him.
You're already planning for this house.
Satan can give you only the shadow or negative and take away your original. The shadow, only the shadow or negative and take away your original.
Since you left the house, you never bothered to call until I called you myself.
So sorry. I'm so sorry. I was just engaged. I'm very sorry, please.
Valerie,
Yes, ma'am.
you don't look happy. Is anything the matter?
Mom, I'm fine. Nothing is wrong. I'm good.
Really?
Come on, Mom. I'm fine. I mean, if there was a problem, you would have been the first person to know about it. Believe me, everything is fine.
Okay, if you say so. Okay, now that you're here. So can you go and get me my special delicacy now?
Mom, that is fine. I'll just go make it for you right away. I'll make you something really nice, something you like.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mom. I'll be right back.
You're welcome, okay?
Yes, Scarlett. I went back to his house, though, but he's not even around.
Oh, really? Finally, you obeyed his mom and returned.
Scarlett, what do you want me to do now? His mom is around and I don't want her to find out what's happening.
Take it easy, okay? I understand how you feel about the situation. He might change.
Change? I hope so too. I just hope he changes.
That should be your prayer point now.
I don't understand. Madam, calm down, your prayer point, ke. At this stage of my relationship, you're talking of prayer points. I'm not married to him, so what if I get married to him? What will happen? It is on to warfare.
But you heard him. You heard him. He'll make it up to you on your wedding night.
I don't understand. No, as per virgin, why I be now? Did I tell you I'm a virgin or did I tell him that I'm a virgin? I'm not planning to keep my virginity for anybody till my wedding night. I beg, leave that thing, Jerry.
Maybe he is.
Who? High sense. A virgin. Babe, come out from that conversation. Come outside. Who is a virgin? High sense. Go, Joe.
Calm down, babe. Relax, okay?
Well, I'm just calm. Let me just become as a perfect gentlewoman that
Ladies
I am.
and gentlemen, so you're a gentlewoman.
Madam, shut up, Joe. Close your mouth. Come on, get out from my phone. Alright, baby, it's fine. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Yeah, you too.
Love you left without telling me.
The last time I checked, you're not married to me, so I don't need to tell you wherever I'm going to.
What's that supposed to mean? Because we're getting married soon.
You know, I wonder the kind of couple we're going to be when we don't even know our sexual capability.
I'm fire. Don't try me. Don't try me. I'm just doing this thing to keep ourselves. Just that's all. Wait, so this is the reason you left that day?
Oh yes! This is the reason I left. Is that not enough reason to leave?
Babe, come on. I'm doing this thing for us. I keep repeating it all the time.
This is what you keep saying and I'm tired of hearing it. I don't want to hear it anymore. Let me even ask you a question.
Okay.
You are a man.
Mm-hmm.
There is blood in this vein.
Yeah.
Not water. You are not a plywood. So how do you even tend to manage your sexual urge whenever you feel horny? Or you say that your manhood is not working?
My manhood is... Babe, I'm a full man, okay? Like... Don't try me.
Then if you're a full man, do the needful. Do what every other man out there does. Do it. Show it. Stop saying it. Show me. I want to say it.
Just be patient. That's all I have to say.
Hey.
Just be patient. Just be patient. Come, let's cuddle up.
Please. I do not want it. Okay? Because I don't even understand. This whole thing you're doing is so funny, it's so dark, it's weird.
It's fine if the cuddling will make you...
Enjoy your celebrate night. Enjoy your life. Celebrate life. Enjoy it. Leave me alone. Tell me, do something as a man. You're telling me cuddle. Tired of cuddling. Do the needful. It's in cuddling.
Good night, baby. Good night.
Wetin be this now? Adam, wetin be this? See, if you try this kind of thing again, I'll break your head.
I will talk to another person. Fine boy like me, they touch you, they make my they mad. Fine boy like me, they touch you, supposed to happy, they smile, they give testimony, they say, fine boy touch you. They talk nonsense.
Who is fine boy?
You know they see you know they see the fine boy in me.
So for your mind now, you fine. Eh? You know what you resemble? You resemble monkey.
See who they call person monkey. See who they call person monkey. See you now, mbeke like you.
See, if I no fine, you no go tickle me. If I no fine.
Because say you manage get nyash, get breast. This thing about breast and by nyash.
You see this nyash like this, you no go touch am.
It's like without I don't know. See, come. Just a day like this now. Walk up with that chair. You fine ball. So you calm down. So go inside there, get in my food. Right now is an order.
Hey, get food for you as my oga. I've been waiting. See you. For this thing where you talk down, you no go see food chop.
I say go in there, get my food. I'll be a carry water for my talker. Let me tell you something. After Oga for this house, the next person.
Valerie, you went to a store to get this for him to make love to you.
I mean, I had to buy it now just in case he's scared of pregnancy. Maybe.
Valerie, do you actually think that this is the reason he has not made love to you?
See, Scarlett, I just had to buy it. It's not like I'm sure, okay? I just want to try, okay? Being with my man is the most important thing to me right now.
But it's not in your place to get this.
Okay? Hello? Who made it mandatory that it is only a man that can go into a store and get condoms? Women too can walk into a store and buy it for their man. Please, it's not that hard.
Valerie, please, don't show him this. Please. If I may ask, why? But I really want him to perceive you as one who's desperate or a sex addict.
Sorry, I'm laughing. What did you just say? Sex addict? From who? I'm asking you. See, we've not even made that, not even for once. For once, we've not. He has not even... Please, come off it, Jerry. It's not even possible. Sex addict. Really?
Valerie, see, I think you should just slow down, okay? Let's just take things one step at a time. At least he has the intentions of getting married to you.
And so? See, Scarlett, I've always listened to you, but this time around, I'm not. See now, Scarlett, but you know be firewood now. What's in be all this one? Now blood they go through my vein now. I have been celibate for so long. Stop this.
I know, but this is giving desperation. So please, don't give it to him.
For my own condom.
So,
Madam, give me.
Okay, relax. What do you need it for?
For something where my money buy.
So when you get married, you don't need all these things.
Mommy need this thing. Give me.
Yeah. You want him to see as one desperate, see my sister as one desperate chick. I better rest.
Now your business. Babes, give me this thing now. I need it now.
Don't worry, calm down.
Give me.
Let me see what will be his excuse this night. Because if my husband dares say no, that means my instinct is right. and he's cheating on me. Definitely he is cheating on me. We must do it this night. Whether he likes it or not, we must.
I don't know why you think protection is my problem. If I needed this, I would have bought it now. What is there? Eh? Even if I get you pregnant today, I have money to take care of if you like 100 children. That's not a problem.
High sense, if that is not the problem, then what is the problem? What is it?
But I've told you now. Oh God, I've told you this thing now.
See, I'm tired of this repetition and excuse. I'm tired of it.
Me too, I'm tired of saying
I
this.
thought this thing myself because you don't want to buy it. Maybe you're scared of pregnancy. You're telling me if that's
This thing, leave this
yeah,
thing.
you High sense! High sense, open this door now. Oh, this is where you came to, Abi? You run into this room. See, let me tell you, you cannot run away from me. If you don't come out, I will shut until one comes out. What's all this? I said you better come out. Come out from this room. I will break this door. You want me to break this door? I have the strength to pull down this door. Don't try to come out from this door. High sense! High sense! Come out from this room. High sense!
Madam, any problem?
Okay. Miranda, I thought you were sleeping. You're not sleeping.
Yeah, I dey sleep, but na your voice wake me up. And if you continue to shout like this, Mama will wake up.
Yeah, you have a point. I'm sorry I woke you up from sleep. I'm sorry.
It's okay. No be my mouth na go hear say oga madam dey quarrel. No be my mouth oh. Miranda, shut your mouth. Na work carry you come this house oh. I no dey gossip. Na no go hear pim for my mouth. Na no go hear.
I am in regret, yo.
You mean he ran out of the room because he doesn't want to make love to you?
Sweetheart, you needed to have been there. You needed to have seen the way Hiset embarrassed me like I had some body odor or something. Last night was dramatic. It wasn't even funny at all.
Baby girl, I don't think this guy is normal. This is not the first time or second time you're complaining about this thing. Don't you see that I'm trying to make sense all this while?
Exactly my point. Because tell me how a man, a healthy man that has blood in his vein will not even jerk when he sees his woman. He doesn't even feel. I don't understand it. It baffles me. You know what? I'm thinking of something. I want to go and see his friend Blake.
What for?
Because I need to tell him what is going on.
No, baby girl, you don't have to do that.
Scarlett, calm down. Baby girl, see, he is not just his friend. He is his best friend, okay? I just need to go. Maybe he will have something to tell me. I need to tell him everything, please.
Look, at this point, this is not what you should be worried about. The only thing you need to find out is if he's cheating on you or not.
Oh, please, Scarlett, just stop it. What are you saying? Why are you sounding like a child? Blake will not admit it, okay? You know how men behave. You know how they behave. He will just want to cover up for his friend. You know it. You know this bro code. Stop acting like you don't know it.
Okay, you need to calm down. Okay? We need to see Blake first. I'll go with you. Yes, I'll go with you. And from the conversation, we'll know either if he's lying or not. From the way he sounds, we can tell if he's lying or not. So relax.
The problem is that your friend does not touch me. He doesn't touch me.
Valerie.
Valerie, what? Don't Valerie me. Let me talk to him. Who knows? He might just help.
Well, My friend told me that he will not be sleeping with anyone that he's not paid her bride price.
Then he should marry her.
Well, I agree. He will, I'm certain.
Blake, please, help me talk to your friend. Okay, I will appreciate it if you can talk him out of this whole idea of making out without marriage. Please, I beg you. I'll be so grateful.
It's alright, I will talk to him. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So now I can drink. So, enough of me. Let's talk about you, Blake.
About me? Okay, I'm curious now.
When am I going to meet your girlfriend? I need to meet her. Is it not high time I met her?
Oh wow, I wasn't expecting that question. Well, I'm not really courting anyone for now. Yes.
No, you can't say that. Wait, Blake, you're trying to say you are not seeing any woman at the moment, like you're not courting anybody?
No, I'm not.
Scarlett, did you hear that?
Blake, are you seriously trying to tell us that you're not courting anyone?
Well, I am shocked that you're shocked that I'm not courting anyone.
Oh wow, I mean it's weird. How can a hot, handsome, rich guy like you?
How can?
You're flattering me there, right? Well, I'm hoping to find someone to love with every ounce of my being. So, well, I hope it happens.
And I hope it happens soon, like very, very soon. Blake, you! I really hope you find that person soon. Soon, very soon.
I hope so too.
Alright, Blake.
Drink up. I mean, we didn't cheers.
You like him, right?
Girl, Jesus, that nigga is hot. I mean, how can a cute guy like that be single?
At least you've heard it from the horse's mouth. He said he doesn't have a girlfriend. But the fact that he doesn't have a girlfriend now doesn't mean he won't have.
Damn. Babe, give me that guy address.
Address? To do what?
I don't understand. Is that supposed to be a question? What should a single girl like me go to a single guy's house to do? If not be gist to define.
Scarlett! Wait. No. You're already crushing on that guy. Hello!
Hi.
Hey, Scarlett, so you really need to calm down, okay?
Crush.
Calm down! To be frank with you, I really do not know Blake like that, okay? I don't know him so much. I don't know if he's a player or he's a serious guy. You just need to calm down. Be careful. Before somebody toys with your heart.
Player. Don't be only player. When he meets somebody like me, he go mellow now.
Wait. You mean you went to see Valerie yesterday and she told you about her relationship?
Bro, I mean, I had no idea the reason she invited me until I got there.
So what did you tell her?
What was I supposed to tell her? I just had to calm her down.
But I don't understand this telling everybody. Must sex be involved in a relationship?
Of course, sex must be involved. I mean, she's a woman. She has feelings. Come on, man.
But I told you I would never do that until I'm married.
Then marry her. Simple. Yes.
Telling people about the challenges we're having in the relationship.
No, I don't understand it. Are you scared? So you don't want me to inform them, Abby? Can't you see I'm suffering in this relationship? What is it? Anyways, you're lucky. It's just Blake and Scarlett have told about it.
So are you supposed to tell them? It's not meant to be our private life. Are you supposed to tell them?
Oh, I'm not supposed to tell them.
Yes.
Let me ask you. If I have gone outside to sleep with some other men, would you have kept it private? Would you have kept it private? You know what, Hyacinth? You are very lucky that I've not told Mom as well about the situation.
You dare not. You dare not.
Ah. You're daring me. Hyacinth, you just dared me now. Fine, there's no problem. I will just walk straight to that living room. I'm going to tell Mom that since we started this relationship, you've not made out to
No,
me.
come.
No, let me!
Don't do that.
Listen. No, I don't like the fact that we're doing this. We're not supposed to be doing this. Huh? Very soon we will be married. And all of this will stop. I'm only saying you shouldn't be telling people. Huh? Our union is supposed to be private. Not every challenge we have, you go out there and tell them. No, now. So what's the privacy? Huh? Where is the privacy? Hmm? I'm sorry I shouted. I'm not happy with you.
I have made the worst mistake in my life. Right now, I am in regret, yo.
God, what is going on? Why is Isaac not taking his call? I just hope all is well. He has never stayed out so late like this before. Hey, he's getting me so worried. What's all this now? Isaac, can you just take your calls? Hey, I just hope that nothing has happened to him. Isaac has never stayed out so late like this before. Hey. Isaac. He's not yet back. No, Mom, he's not back. I'm scared. Scared? Mom, why are you scared? You don't need to be scared now. Isaac is going to come back. He will be back. Just calm down.
If he'll be back, then why is he not picking his calls?
Come on, Mommy, calm down. You know Isaac, eh? Sometimes he just wants to stay far from home and spend 2 to 3 days outside. I'm sure he's fine wherever he is, Mommy. Just relax. It's fine.
Sure.
I'm sure Hyacinth is not a child. He is a full-grown man. He can take care of himself, Mommy. You just need to go upstairs and sleep. He's late. Please. Mommy, just go. He's fine. He's fine. Just go and sleep.
You're sure?
I'm sure. He's fine, Mommy. Mommy, just go. He's fine. He will be back. Not again. Hyacinth. What is all this now?
You want to become among the best. Just because you want to become among the best.
Good morning, Ma.
How are you?
Fine, Mama.
What's your pump? Did your guy tell you where he went yesterday?
No, Ma. He no tell me. Oga dey tell me where he dey go, but this time he no tell me.
You mean he didn't mention anywhere at all?
No, he no tell me. But Oga will come back, Mama.
I'm worried. I'm worried about my son. How could he leave the house without telling anyone where he's going to? What if anything happens to him? Eh?
No, Mama. Maybe Oga don't go for a business trip.
It could be alright. Okay. Finish washing and serve lunch, okay?
Okay, Mama.
Thank you.
Miranda. So everything will happen for this house. Now me, everybody they ask.
As if say I be detective, I be na human keeper I be. Which one I can be? Nah.
What's that sweet you today?
All this now.
Might
Take your
bring you
calls.
sorrow.
Yes, who's there? I'm coming.
What's that sweet you today? Might bring you sorrow tomorrow. Joy and bitterness depends on the choice which you make. This is your joy.
Good to see you today, sis. Sorry, I'm just surprised to see you. You didn't travel with your friend?
You mean Hyacinth is not at home?
No, he's not. I mean, he left home since yesterday. And as I'm talking to you, his mom she's really worried. He left this house since yesterday without telling anybody his whereabouts. Nobody knows where he went to. He just came on WhatsApp to drop me a voice note saying I shouldn't bother about him, that he's safe and sound. You can imagine that.
Well, this is ridiculous. This is strange.
Why will a grown man do such a thing?
Well, I came to see him for a business deal and I'm really surprised to hear this.
Okay, now you can see he's not around. Please, can you call him? Ask him where he is, that everybody's worried. We don't know his whereabouts. Can you just call him, please?
It's alright, I have to be on my way now. I'll give him a call, okay?
Blake, you don't understand. I said he's not taking my calls. I thought you were just going to call him now. Alright, thank you very much for coming. Hyacinth, why will you do such a thing? Why do you want to put everybody in confusion? What is this now, eh? Just take your call. What's all this?
Yeah, bro, what's up? Oh, come on, man. What you did was very wrong. But I mean, at least you should have called her. I mean, or take her calls. Even your mom is very worried. And what about Valerie? Surprise? I mean, what surprise do you speak of? Oh, come on, man. I'm your guy. You need to tell me about it. Alright, if you say so. I mean, you have to hurry up so we can get done with this, so I can get back to the investor, okay? Alright, I'll talk to you later then.
I'm so worried. Why will Hyacinth do such a thing?
Can you just calm down? He will soon be back. I spoke with him last night.
Mom! You spoke with Hyacinth, like you talked to him?
Yes.
So why is he not talking to me? Mom, I have called him severally. I've called him a lot, but he's not taking my calls. He's not returning any of them. And then he spoke to you. He's not speaking to me. It's not nice.
Sweetheart, he said he wants to surprise you.
Surprise? For real?
Yeah.
I said. So Mom, tell me, what is the surprise? I want to know.
I don't know.
Mom, tell me now.
He didn't tell me anything. In fact, he's keeping everything secret.
Okay, fine. Did he tell you when he's coming back? I know he told you.
But that he didn't even tell me too.
Mommy, now, tell me. I know he told you. Just say it.
No, he didn't tell me. And if he told me, it wouldn't have been a surprise.
Mommy, and I know you don't just want to tell me. It's
No, he didn't tell me. Come on. Be patient. He wants to surprise you. So just be calm.
Oh, okay, fine. I'll just wait for him. I can't wait to see him.
I like that.
How are you, Adam?
I'm fine, I'm fine. And I believe they're both there.
It's my mom and my fiancé inside.
Okay, everybody there inside, even that Miranda. She there inside.
Why did you call her that?
That girl, they heartless. Can you imagine? Sometimes the girl will give me food. Sometimes you go bring food, they'll put meat. You go say food don't finish. A whole this big house. You go say food don't finish. I go sleep empty stomach. But I have a dream. I know where I'm going to. That's why I don't want to complain. I'm only telling you, but I'm not complaining.
Adam, no worry, I go talk to her.
I believe
collect what's in there for.
I believe your judgment. I press the boot. I put on with the press.
Babes, welcome.
Why would you welcome me like that?
Where have you been? You left me. You left this house. You didn't tell anybody where you were going to. I tried calling you. You were not taking my calls. You were not returning any of my calls. Mom was calling you. What's all this? Why did you do that? It's not nice.
I'm sorry. I just had to take a break and think about my life.
What are you doing?
There's no better way of being the happiest man in life if you don't become my wife. I've thought about this over and over again, and I've come to realize that you're the best thing that has ever happened to me. Please marry me.
Yes, I'll marry you. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. love it.
I'm glad you love it.
Don't leave me next time. Come here. I love you, baby. I love you. Ew.
I am so happy for you. Oh my God.
Thank you so much, darling. I'm happy as well. Thank you.
So finally, my sis is going to be Mrs. Hyson.
Oh, not just Mrs. Hyson. You forgot to add Uday. It is Mrs. Hyson Uday. And that's a period.
Baby, let's just do that.
You know, I cannot wait to walk my man down the aisle and then say I do, because forever is the do.
I know, baby.
That's it.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
Cool.
Scarlett, I did not know that this was the surprise Hyson told Mom and Blake. Believe me.
So he left and returned with the mindset of engaging you.
Oh, you can say this glory.
Wow.
That is an evidence.
No. And I'm happy for you, baby.
Thank you. Scarlett. What? It's just that I can't, it pains me so much that I can't feel my man's touch. You know, I've always wanted his touch. Like,
I know how you feel. Because this has always been what you wanted.
yes. This is what I've always wanted, Scarlett. Believe me, I can't wait to call him my husband, the father of my kids. I love Hyson so much, and you know it.
I know, and we love him for you. So with that being said, I am going to be the newest Ashwebi. Did I say Ashwebi? Chief bridesmaid.
Hello.
Hi.
Who gave you that title? No, you are not.
No, it's not yours today.
You are
It
not.
is not yours today.
What is it?
It's my sister's wedding, and I'm going to paint this town red. They're not ready.
Congratulations, man. So you finally proposed to her.
Thanks, homeboy. Thank you, homeboy. You know, I just did what I had to do. It's about time, you know.
Well, I didn't tell you not to marry her, though.
Well, at some point you were making it look like I just wanted to waste our time and push her away.
Come on, Hyacinth. You always misunderstand my words. Come on, man.
Well, that's fine. That's history now.
Was that the surprise you were telling me about?
Yes.
So why didn't you tell me?
Because you don't really know how to keep your mouth shut, you know.
God, wait. Are you insinuating that I'm a parrot now?
Something like that.
Hyacinth. God, you've gone crazy, man.
I remember, hold on a minute.
I will food for you. I will food for you.
This one where you they smile, bring food come for me. They don't send me, poison me.
If I won't kill you, now my hand I go use to strangle you.
John, this one. I got that one inside. That's the one. Too small now.
Anyway, you be waiting carry me come. I dey happy because say Oga don engage madam.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
You really?
Yes, sir.
Engage madam.
Oga
Why don't you call me?
And now work go reduce for me. I no go dey cook for everybody again. Now madam go dey cook for everybody.
If I say you no get sense, they go say I dey insult you. If I say you get myopic mind, they go say I dey insult you. You know say now work go plenty for you. No.
Maybe Oga wife him be. You go cook for her husband again.
That wife. Why Oga dey pay you? Why Oga dey pay you for this house? Abi, you want to become madam because you do your eye, don't they crush on Oga sense. Your eye don't do pure. You know I know they see. I dey see you.
You dey craze. Craze dey worry you there.
I dey craze. I know they see am. Those say craze. They your lineage.
You see, for this thing where you talk like this, If you see food chop for this night, make I bend. If I give you food, make I bend. I'm not gonna give you food.
You don't bend finish, right? Even I bend, you don't bend finish because you bring the food come. You don't bend finish.
See your life, nonsense gate man. I beg.
They do with your eye like I balloon the book for them. Because I be cuckoo. She's a bit cuckoo. Everybody what she get before she's troublesome. Don't respect me for this house. I need to also try to talk truth. Sure.
Nothing is impossible.
My son is getting married first week of next month. Yeah, Hyacinth. Hey, if you see the amazing girl he's getting married to, the girl is beautiful. Eh? Among all the girls he has shown me, this one is different. Well trained. Valerie is something else. Yes, Valerie is the name. If you see you will just love her. No, do you know why I'm calling you? I want to invite you officially. And don't give me any reason why you will not be in this wedding. It's first week of next month. Write it down. I will not forgive you if you don't come home. It's okay, I'll keep you posted. Okay. Mbandalo so, thank you. Invitation gone.
To stay, despite all the challenges she endures it. Despite all the trials she endures it. She's a precious woman, epitome of beauty.
Hello, Scarlett.
Hi, Blake.
How are you doing?
I'm very well.
I mean, what are you doing under this hot sun? Just hop in. Let me give you a ride, okay? Come on. Just hop in.
Okay, thank you. Hi.
Yeah.
So tell me, Blake, where do you reside?
I hope I am safe.
Come on, aren't we friends?
Of course we're friends. I just wasn't expecting a question.
So tell me.
Oh, well, if you insist, I stay at number 9 Grey Avenue Estate.
Grey Avenue Estate?
Yeah.
I know there. You know, I'm just worried. Why would a cute guy like you all be by himself without a girlfriend?
I mean, it's not compulsory to have a girlfriend, is it?
You don't have a girlfriend?
I don't have a girlfriend.
So how do you intend getting married?
Well, there's no law that states I have to have a girlfriend or be in a relationship to get married.
I see.
Well, I mean, I am just so curious why you want to know so much about my marital status.
Shouldn't I be? I mean, maybe because I like you.
For real?
Yes, Blake, I like you.
Where are you stopping again?
Just serious.
Yeah, where's your bus stop? Is that
You won't believe what happened. Honestly. This guy did not even notice me at all. All the moves I made, he didn't notice it. He even told me that he doesn't even have a serious girlfriend though. He doesn't have a girlfriend, in fact.
Where did you meet Blake?
He gave me a ride.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Not to worry. I know how to get him.
Better take it easy, oh. Take it easy before he breaks your heart.
Break. Do I look like someone whose heart can be broken? You're supposed to trust me now.
Funny, you're very funny, Scarlett.
I'm going to pay him a visit.
How can you even do that? You don't even know where he resides.
Well, he told me where he stays.
My sister is in love, oh.
Yeah.
Okay, oh. I wish you good luck then.
That's fine. Well, before I forget, how far? Has the tailor started sewing my clothes for the cheap bracelet?
Yeah, she has started. She has started making it.
Better for her. I don't want to hear stories.
Alright, bye.
Alright, my love. I'll call you, okay? Don't worry. I'll just give you an update. I'll call you now.
Oh, well, I am surprised.
You gave me your address.
Oh, yeah, I can remember that. Well, have a seat.
Thank you.
So, what can I offer you?
Nothing.
Oh, come on. I mean, this is your first time of coming to my house. You must take something.
Having you is enough. I mean, I'm good.
Oh, well, if you insist. I'm very curious why you decided to visit my house today.
You know, Blake, I've just been worried. How can a cute, handsome dude as yourself not have a girlfriend or a lady to warm your bed? So, I was hoping I could fill that space.
Wait, are you being serious right now? Because I know you're kidding, yeah?
I'm not.
You're not serious, are you?
I wish I was not. Blake, I love you. Haven't you seen the way I look at you?
Well, I don't love you. And I'm not ready for any relationship. Do you understand that?
Don't tell me you don't need a woman to warm your bed.
Well, I am good. I don't need a woman to warm my bed. Alright? And if you don't mind, I'd like to use the door. I was about heading out before you knocked. Don't you dare! Use the door.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Mommy.
Congrats.
I'm glad you're alive to witness this day.
You two make the best couple of the year.
And you know why I'm so happy?
I can't wait to carry my grandchildren.
No! Thank you for accepting me into this family. I love you, Mommy.
You're welcome, darling.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let me leave you to catch up, okay? Let me go in and freshen up.
Alright, Mommy.
Thank you.
Baby.
So I hope you're not going to shout at me again.
Hey, this is not the best place to have this conversation. Let's go to the bedroom.
Okay, bedroom we go. Bedroom we go.
Baby!
What is it?
What do you know what is it? I've been touching this thing since only God knows when. I've been trying to do it now. It's not standing. The more I'm trying to do it, the more it's bending its head. Why? What's happening?
He's always humble when he's stressed. He's just he doesn't want to, so let's just allow it.
Babe, stop now. Stop. You know I've been waiting for this moment. I've been waiting for it. This is the wedding night. You've been telling me wedding night, wedding night, wedding night, wedding night. This is the wedding night. I want to take this thing now. Give it to me now. Okay, tell me, where will I touch? I've touched from your nipple to your ear to everywhere. I've kissed you. I've touched. I've even given you head. It's not coming up. What do you really talk? Where am I going to touch again?
It may be stress. You know, today we've been very busy. From the wedding preparation to canopy people to going to the hall, going to church, reception. I'm tired. I'm not tired.
I said, please. Don't even get me angry. No, don't get me angry. I don't want to get angry. What is this now? Look at it now. I'm your wife now. You're literally married now. This thing belongs to me. What is that?
Baby, I'm even surprised you still have this energy. Are you not tired? Let's sleep. We mustn't do it this night. Tomorrow is another
lie, I refuse. You see this thing? You give it to me today. I want it. Why are you punishing me?
Baby, let's sleep. I'm not running away. I'm your husband.
I said you will not sleep in this house. You will never sleep in this house if you don't give this thing to me. If you're tired, this one is not tired. It's not supposed to be tired. The moment I touch it, you're supposed to stand.
He's tired.
It is not tired. Don't you know your own now? I'm here. Tell him to stand.
See, baby, let's not do this.
Hey!
I am. My bones are weak.
High sense.
Can even collapse on
High sense. You see this night, this particular wedding night, you will give me this thing. You will give it to me.
Why do you have so much energy?
I have so much energy because I want it. Can you be a car? Give it to me now.
Babe, let's sleep. Okay, let's sleep tomorrow.
First thing in the morning. Open this thing and tell me where. Open it. I don't want to give it to me now.
Okay, wait. Let me tell you the truth. The hour has come. Hi! The hour has come.
Hyacinth, what is it now? Say something.
Babe, the truth is, it cannot stand. That's the truth. Even if you like, you drag it from now till the next year, it can't stand. It can't stand. Odiro. I've been trying to say this to you, but I don't know how you're going to take it. Baby, it's okay. The thing is, I didn't know how to tell you. I didn't know how to present it because I was scared of losing you.
I said, so this is the reason you've not made love to me since we were dating.
So something like that.
I said,
So you hit something as huge as this and then you claim to love me? How can you?
Babe, please don't. I believe we'll sort this out. We'll sort it out.
I said so you cannot father a child.
I can. We might have children, definitely. We're working on it. We'll have.
Lies. That is a lie from the pit of hell and you know it.
No, we might. We're working on it. It's not like...
Hyacinth. I said, that is a lie from the pit of hell and you know it! I said, how could you do this to me? I thought you
to sort it out, please.
There is nothing to sort out, I said. There is nothing to sort out. You can't sort anything. You can't sort anything. We can't sort anything, I said.
Mommy, good morning, ma.
Morning, how are you?
Fine, mommy.
Have you seen your madam?
I never see her this morning.
You mean you have not seen her this morning at all?
I never see her this morning.
Where could she be?
Maybe she don't go out to go buy something.
Oh, this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. Continue what you're doing.
Okay, mommy.
Adam, where is your madam?
She's over there in her room now.
She's supposed to be in her room. Adam, so your madam drove out and you didn't see her leaving this gate.
That's true.
So you're not observant at all?
You know, I did inside they reboot myself before I can come out my car, take fresh air. I was rebooting myself.
You're rebooting yourself. So somebody can leave this gate, you won't hear the sound or anything. Hey Adam!
Oh! Now that time I dey inside toilet and they shit. Now you know say that this my toilet if you dey inside, you no go hear anything for outside. You dey when you dey inside to dey record music, you no go hear anything outside. I'm sorry.
Sorry for your miserable, stupid life. Somebody will leave the compound, you not hear anything, you tell me you're rebooting yourself. Leave my side, get out! I said leave my side. No, I understand what they called you, Adam. Unyala. Yeah? Come.
Hey. Okay, calm down. Why are you sounding so worried? Okay, relax, calm down. Look, listen. You know you can talk to me about anything, right? Okay, okay, now. I can't hear you. Okay, calm down. Okay, I'm in the house. You can just come over, okay? We'll talk about it. Stop crying, please. Okay, please. I'm here. Just don't cry. Just come over. I'm at home.
What we be, we always be. No matter the challenges you may face right now.
This whole thing looks like a dream to me. So this is the reason he has never touched me. So he kept all of the secrets away from me because he knew I was going to leave him if I find out. God, why? Why me? Why me? I'm so pained right now. Why me? I'm so shattered. I'm devastated. How can Hyacinth keep me in the dark all this while without considering my feelings or my emotions? Hyacinth, why? 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 Hyacinth, why will you do such? Why? Why? Why?
It's impossible when God is on your side.
Valerie! See, I know you're inside here. I know you can hear me. Open this door. You've been inside since morning. What is wrong with you? Open this door. I know you can hear me. Open the door. Valerie! Valerie! Sweetheart! 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 Hi.
Well, I told you, man. If you had revealed everything to her, I'm sure she'd have taken it easy with you now.
Well, I was scared of losing her. I love Valerie. I don't want to lose her.
And what makes you think you can lose her now?
We are married now, so that will be hard.
Is that what your head is telling you, man?
Of course.
I mean, why do you just like deceiving yourself? Why?
Well, I don't understand. Are you blaming me?
Of course I have to blame you. Because I told you to tell her the truth a long time ago, but you refused. I mean, no married woman would want to be with a man who can satisfy her or get her pregnant.
So what do I do to keep my wife? I love her so much and she's on my neck every now and then. Something needs to be done.
Well, I do not know what needs to be done. I have no idea. You have to sort it out yourself.
Wait. Are you seriously telling me that he cannot perform well in bed?
Scarlett, I don't know. I don't know. I'm confused.
Is this the reason he doesn't make out with you?
It's very obvious, can't you see? It is the reason he doesn't make out with me. That is why my husband always acts weird whenever he mentions sex. He acts like I have said something impossible.
Is his mother aware?
I'm not sure. I don't think so. Because if his mother is aware, she should have done something as a mother.
I don't understand. What are you saying? Is she not his mother? She gave birth to him. I mean, she should know something.
Scarlett, stop. Let's not be judgmental. There's no way a mother will know her son's performance while she's still a child. It is until he's grown into a man.
Besides, the mom is not even supposed to have an idea of his son's sexual activities, don't you think? I am so pissed at him right now. I mean, why would he keep such sensitive information from you? Why?
His reason is because I was going to leave him. That was what he said. That I was going to leave him. That was why he kept something like that. My husband kept something like that away from me. Ah, Scarlett.
What makes him think you're not going to leave him now that you found out? Eh? What makes him think you won't leave a marriage that is built on lies?
Scarlett, I don't know. I don't know.
Hey, it's okay.
I don't know why I said to do this to me.
It's okay, it's okay.
Scarlett,
it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, please. It's okay. Stop.
I have made it was mistake.
Good afternoon. Sit. You left very early. I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well, Mom. I got an order from a client, so I needed to go deliver those orders. So I went to the company to get them.
Are you done with them now?
Oh yes, Mom, I'm done. I'm done.
You don't look happy. What is going on?
Mom, I'm fine. It's just stress. Like, I've been so stressed.
Why should you be stressed when you have Miranda in the house?
Yes, Mom, Miranda is in the house. She's trying, but I was just talking about work stress, not stress.
Oh, that. Sweetheart, don't you think it's time you take a break? Go on a vacation so you can ease off the stress. You shouldn't stress yourself like this. Don't you think so?
You have a point, Mom. I'll just put that into consideration.
Please do.
Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the love and the care that you've shown me. God bless you, Mom.
God will bless you more for me. Come here. Come.
I run to every situation. Tears and sorrow staying over you.
So this is the reason this man has been acting the way he is. He has been pretending that he loves my sister just for his own selfish interests. Ah, God, he will pay dearly. He will pay dearly for hurting my sister, for breaking my sister's heart. I promise him he will pay. What?
I have made it was mistake in my life. Right now I am in regret, yo.
I got this for you.
Hassan, please leave my side. I don't want to talk to you right now.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what happened. I have no explanations, but believe me, I'm truly sorry.
Hyacinth, I just said, leave my side.
I don't know what to talk to you. What's so difficult to understand here?
Believe me. Please. I've not been myself since yesterday. Please, don't do this to us.
Don't do what? You caused it. You caused everything. So we are going to live like enemies.
Babe, no. We can't be living like enemies. We can't. We can't wake up in the morning and my wife will see me without talking to me. Do you enjoy this?
Oh, really?
Yes. Come on.
That is what you're saying. See, Hyacinth. Since you have decided to belittle me and then lie to me about your incapability as a man, there will be no peace in this house.
Babe.
Why you stupid gifts? Rubbish. Miranda, please, I need you to serve my food in my room upstairs, okay?
Okay, ma.
Just be fast about it.
Okay, ma.
Plus, please, I do not want Mom to see you bring that food to my room. In anything you're doing, just don't make sure she doesn't see you, okay?
Okay, ma.
Alright, please, just be fast.
I'll do what you say.
Alright.
Miranda, where are you taking that food to? Are you drunk? I said, where are you taking that food to?
My madam.
Your madam? Valerie?
Yes, ma'am.
Has she not eaten?
I don't think so.
You don't think so or you don't know so? Which one is it?
She never chop.
What did she have said? Okay, give me the food. Let me go and serve.
No.
Come on, give me the food.
Mommy, now my duty to...
Did you hear? Put that food here. One. Come on, put that food here. Give me the food. Now we got to argue with me, not Paula. Go downstairs. This serve my daughter over here.
Don't fuck up like this.
Sweetheart, are you okay? Is everything okay?
Mom, you worry too much. I'm fine, nothing is wrong with me.
Did my son offend you? Tell me.
Mom, you worry too much. Relax. I'm fine, I'm okay, nothing is wrong with me.
If you say you're okay. Fine, I brought your food.
Thank you so much, Mommy. But you shouldn't have gone through the stress of bringing this food.
I can do anything for my beautiful daughter-in-law. Come on. Eat, since you say everything is okay, huh? I guess I should leave you to enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much, Mom. I appreciate it.
It's okay, darling.
This love have come to stay. This love has come to stay. This love have come to stay. This love has come.
Should I tell her?
No, I can't. I can't just tell her. I can't.
Baby, I've been meaning to talk to you about something. My last relationship, as in the relationship I just left before I met you, I've noticed that every morning, like early morning, when we wake up, I've noticed that my ex always have this erection. But since I'm with you, I've been very observant. I've not noticed anything like that. Why is that?
Because my mind is not there now. Erection works from the mind. Once I wake up, I'm just thinking of my day, things I'm going to do for the day, you know. It's not erection that I came to this world to do. Maybe because he has nothing to offer. It's always erection. Maybe that's why.
But babe, I heard and I know that every man used to have this early morning erection. You as a man, to show that.
Have you visited all the men in this world to know that one?
But that's the normal thing now. That's what makes you a man.
Let me start my day first. Let me start. You guys are using erection to wake me up this morning.
Nothing is impossible when God is on your side. Nothing is impossible.
What are you doing here?
We need to talk. It's important.
I see that you have something good to say. Come on in.
What kind of ridiculous question is that? Do I sleep with Hyacinth?
Like, are you trying to pretend? Or you're trying to tell me that you don't know that Hyacinth has erectile dysfunction? That nigga cannot even perform. That guy cannot get even a chicken pregnant. He is like a dead vegetable.
I mean, this is ridiculous. You're getting me confused. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Blake, can you swear that you don't know? No, tell me. Can you swear that you don't know that that guy is a sorry ass of a man?
Oh, well, I think you've lost your mind. You don't even know what you're saying.
Okay. Well, that's not why I'm here. That's not the only reason I came by.
So why are you here?
Do you think it's easy for a beautiful girl like me? For a pretty girl?
This should be the last time you try this nonsense again. Do you understand?
I don't understand. Blake, what is your problem? Why do you hate women so much?
Oh, well, I don't hate women. I just want to be left alone.
You want to be left alone, or you're pretending not to notice me? What is it? I'm just wondering. Why don't you like women?
Get out. And don't make me repeat myself again.
Fine. I'll leave. This is the second time you're asking me out of your house. I promise you, when you will come back begging, I won't be available.
Hyacinth, what is going on with your wife?
Nothing is
Nothing.
What do you mean by nothing? Haven't you noticed the change in attitude? For the past 3 days now, she has changed. Haven't you noticed it?
No, I haven't.
The other day she set the dining for us. She didn't sit to eat with us. She left. What is going on?
Maybe she just wanted to eat alone. I do that sometimes.
I said I'm a mother. I know when a child is not happy. Your wife is not happy, but please help me find out what is going on with her. Oh?
Alright.
Biko, it's too early now for you two to start having trouble. Biko.
Okay. I will.
This love has come to stay. 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 Despite all the challenges she endures, this love has come to stay. Despite all the trials she endures, this love. She's a precious woman, epitome of beauty.
You're not going to do anything. Melinda, no, they disturb the neighborhood though. See, I want to know what you want to do. I don't open this gate.
Adam, open this gate, oh. If not your guy, I'm going to jump inside this gate.
I don't say you be thief now. I don't say you be criminal. No, I they pretend say jump. Jump the gate.
Adam, are you not hearing that sound on the gate?
But I want mad woman. Oh. Yes, ma'am.
Does she come to this gate every day?
Ha, ma'am. That's why she knock every day. Oh. And I've got not get money to give her to. Then I make. But if you give me 200 mark, you'll make she go.
Did you hear that? Come on, go open that gate for her.
Ma'am, please, with your permission, make sure you just did that small. You just did that small.
Adam, go open that gate. It's your kuwara. Are you mad?
Mommy, I say your permission, not your own permission.
Get that from the guy who put that gate. Onyala. That coin. Hey, you stop there. Adam, come here. Why did you lock her outside?
But this girl, she's wicked. She never heartless since day before yesterday. She never give me food.
What? What did you say, Adam?
See her here now. Now make I want me to do that gate till night 4.
Did you hear him? I said, did you hear him? Oh, really? In this house? Now you listen to me. No matter the misunderstanding you have with Adam in this house, don't ever starve him of food. Akwelane, if the misunderstanding is too much, report to me, to your madam or to your guy. Do you hear me?
Yes, Mom. But this get man no be better person, no. Each time I give him food, he go tell me say make I put him 3 meat.
3 meat?
Yes, Mommy.
Adam, what's wrong now?
Tell him, oh, how can ordinary get man go dey chop 3 meat when you supposed chop half meat?
Quiet. Close your mouth. You know you don't get respect, Abi. You don't get man candidate for the house. Which one be me go chop half meat?
You supposed to chop meat before?
I supposed chop meat before. Eh? But you see him. This girl na Eve.
God forbid. I reject it in Jesus' name. Now me follow you go for Garden of Eden. Eh? Now your foolishness come carry you go Garden of Eden. You go marry. Woman come deceive you. Come give you apple. You go chop. How can person go bomb pikin? Come name am Adam.
Because na me be the first man wey dey this world.
First man kill you there.
Hey, enough! Enough! Don't ever serve him in this house again. Aquilane. And you must serve him dinner this night. If I hear that you stabbed him again, if call your daddy. You know, Pudala?
Yes, ma'am. Mommy, no vex. This man won't put quarrel between us.
Both of you should leave my side. Two of you should go!
Thank you, ma. You live long. Move.
Move, you.
Madam say you should leave.
You know the...
I am the security officer of this house, so the protection of this place is in you. You live long.
Both of you should leave your son. Ah, Jesus.
You don't do my food, Abi. You don't do my food.
You no go chop. You no go see food chop this night.
You be like say you want to see the other side of me. You be like say you want to show you say I'm a retired soldier.
Hey, retired soldier for mouth. See you. Now for mouth though. You know if you do anything, retired
Don't
soldier.
worry. Why they see me finish? See, people go come here, come grab me, come up for this compound, and Oga Mada no go know what happen.
Yay! Now that time I go show you say me I get power passing for this house. I get power passing.
Yeah, see finish.
Yes.
I see that they cause all this one.
Uh-huh.
See, you get long, say Oga Mada come out, come rescue you. If not, you go there that gate till night. Nobody go open that gate for you.
You see this night? No food for you. You no go see food chop for this night.
I don't need to follow you the exchange words. Like they will be husband and wife. No. Make her wait for my food. Make her wait for my food. More. Just more.
So now that your wife is on your neck, what are you going to do?
Yeah, honestly, I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
Well, we have to figure out a way, because if your mom knows about it, it won't be funny.
And who will tell her?
Your wife, of course.
No, I don't think so.
Look, it seems you don't know women. They bond together, especially when they have a common goal, conceiving a child.
Well, not for my wife. I know what she can do and what she can't do.
Well, I'm sure your wife won't want people to blame her for not giving you a child. So she's very capable of anything.
So what do you suggest I do?
Well, I think you should adopt.
Adopt?
Yes. That's the only option we have.
What that sweet you today might bring you sorrow tomorrow. What that sweet you today might bring you sorrow tomorrow.
Hey.
Joy and bitterness depends on the choice.
Babe. Please, I want us to talk.
What is it?
Sorry for waking you up. Just that it's very important. I want us to talk, please.
Babe, what is it?
I'm thinking about our situation and I just think the best thing we should do is to adopt.
To do what?
To adopt. Let's adopt. Instead of quarreling every now and then, kids brings kids. You know, when you have a kid around this house, they have the spirit to drag children towards it. Can happen.
I sense no way, that's not going to happen. I can't bring another woman's child into my house. I don't want it. Besides, what you should be talking about is, okay, what about my feelings and my emotions as a woman?
Buy Dido for you. Thought of that one. Can order for Dido. That vibrates very well. The battery will not die. Then we have at least we use this one and be managing till.
I sense if you know my husband, I would have said something despicable. What are you saying? I have a husband and you're talking about what is all this? Please, adoption is not an option, okay? I do not want it in my house. Please.
I'm just saying, we can't keep living like this all the time.
Please, I want to sleep. Don't even disturb me. If you don't want to sleep, fine, you can stay awake, but I want to sleep. Don't even disturb me about this thing again. What do you mean by adoption? I want to have my own child. Don't you have something reasonable to say? Is that why you woke me up from sleep? Adoption. Stupid adoption is the one.
Let's think of this. Let's think of this.
It's the
best thing to do.
Hyacinth, allow me sleep.
The best thing to do.
Let me sleep.
There's no point having the quarrels every now and then.
Hyacinth, allow me sleep now. What is this? You want me to leave this room for you? Let me sleep in peace now. What's all this?
Just have a thought. Why Where are you going?
Enjoy.
Come back here. Come and sleep. Come and sleep. Come back and sleep.
Wait. He wants you to do what? Adopt?
That is exactly what my husband said to me. I don't know what have come over Hyacinth. I don't know at all. I don't know.
Valerie, don't you think it's high time you left that marriage? Pack your things and leave.
Leave? Did you just say leave? Sis, please, I can't do that.
You can't do what? What do you want to be doing in that kind of marriage?
Scarlett, it's not easy. I love my husband, you know it. I love Hyacinth so much. I can't live like that.
You love your husband so much and you can't leave him. But yet you come here complaining when you will not take my advice. Why would you come here complaining to me when you know you don't take my advice? What is it now? Since you have the solution to your problem, then why are you here? Okay, let me ask you. After adoption, no sex, right? No satisfaction in the marriage. What would you be doing? Can't you pack your bag and leave?
Scarlett, you have a point. I understand what you're saying. It's just that at this point I'm confused. Valerie is confused. I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's to pack my things and leave the house or to stay with my husband. I'm confused. I don't know.
You are not confused. You can't be confused. You are not. You know what to do. Pack your bag and leave that house. See, your problem is gradually turning into a prayer point. It is gradually becoming a prayer point. I don't want you to call me by 12 and say, let's pray, I don't have that energy because you've already inconvenienced my life enough. Pack your bag and leave that marriage. What is sweet there? Go home now. Go and pack your things. Better, even though you come here complaining to me, telling me this. When I give you advice, you will not take it. But you come here inconveniencing my life. I don't even have a life of my own. This, yet you're still going back to him.
myself, please.
Hyacinth, die if you want to die. Go ahead and die if you want to die. What kind of nonsense is this? Eh? See, don't touch me again. If you touch me, you don't like what I'll do to you.
This is not the best way. You can resolve this now. Please.
Hyacinth, there is nothing to resolve, okay? I'm done with you. So you think after keeping me in the dark for months, I'm going to remain in this marriage? Hell no, I will not do that. Give me. Hyacinth. Hyacinth, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I can't.
Hey!
I can't leave you alone, please. I can't leave you alone.
Hyacinth. Hyacinth. Mind you, you will soon hear from my lawyer. Let me pack my things in peace.
Open the door now. Valerie! Open the door, no you're there. Hyacinth! Open the... Sweetheart, what is it? What's going on? What are you even saying? What do you mean by my son cannot perform his duty as a man? What are you saying?
Mom, I'm telling you the truth. I'm not lying. Eh? Your son does not have erection. He's man who does not stand. He doesn't stand.
How can you say that?
A man who does not stand.
What nonsense are you saying? A child I gave birth to, I betted. If there was any problem, the doctor could have told me now. What are you saying? That he said, what are you even trying to tell me?
That is why you need to call him. Eh? Call him. Let him come and speak for himself. Let him say something. He needs to explain something to us.
Are you serious? Are you sure of what you're saying?
Mom, I'm sure. I can't lie to you. If there's anybody I'm going to lie to, it is not you I'm going to lie to. Ever since we started dating, all through the period we dated, we did not even make up, not even for one day.
Hey!
I just found out on our wedding night.
Hey! You mean all this while you dated my son before he married you, you two didn't have sex? You didn't have sex? Ah!
I'm tired.
What does she mean? Answer me! You didn't let me stop Sanya. Don't you answer me? What's going on?
I'm confused as you are.
Confused about what? How can a girl, a beautiful girl like that tell me that this thing is not rising? Eh? Why is it not rising? That girl is beautiful now. But you see me, even if she told it's not getting up. Why is it down? Can you tell me, you're like this now? When you were small, when you used to piss, it used to stand straight. After pissing like this, it goes down. But now, it doesn't stand at all. It doesn't even raise head like this. It's down. Hi, Mbani. This is not how. What is... See, if there's a problem, tell me. I can go and get solution. I can get it. If there's something, tell me. Can you not stand now? What's going on? Eh?
Sometimes it's economy.
Economy? What has economy to do with Ivedi?
You said you want to discuss something crucial with me.
Yes, very, very important.
Be fast.
Okay, Scarlett, I know you are against me for everything that happened. I don't blame you for that. Scarlett, I know you are...
I am angry with you, Hyacinth. How could you do that?
I'm sorry I kept such thing away from you for a very long time. Just that I didn't know how to put it.
So how may I help you?
I needed to talk to her. I know she listens to you. She's trying to leave me, and that's the last thing I would want to happen.
Hyacinth, I won't do that. I will push my sister to divorce you.
Scarlett, there is nothing that we cannot fix together. I know this looks hard, but we can always fix it together as one family. Please.
This can't be fixed. My sister deserves better. She needs a man that will make her happy, not a man like you. Have a nice day.
Just calm down, Hyacinth. Look, I mean, she's a woman. She's just very mad for now. She'll come along, okay? So what do you want Scarlett to do? You think she will listen? So you want her to talk to Valerie? Alright. You know I would do anything for you, so I'm going to invite her over and we'll talk about it.
You invited me over for me to beg my sister on his behalf?
Come on, Scarlett, that's enough reason.
No, it's not. Blake, you knew about his predicament all this while and you pretend?
What is your problem, Scarlett? Do I live with him? Do I bathe with him? I mean, how am I supposed to know that he has a problem like that? Why are you accusing me falsely?
Blake, swear you had no idea. No, just tell me that you were not aware.
I see. So this is how you falsely accuse someone you claim you love. Right?
I'm sorry, baby. I thought you invited me over for us to spend time together. You know.
Stop! Just go back.
Blake, what is your problem? No, let me ask you. What is your problem? What did Eve tell you? Why do you hate women so much? Oh. Maybe you have the same disability issues as your friend.
Excuse me, what did you just say?
You heard me.
I think you've overstayed your welcome. I want you to leave now.
Leave? Well, newsflash. I am not going anywhere. I will leave only when it pleases me. After all, you invited me. So baby, I'm staying here with you.
This is for today.
Go inside, go look, go check who they shout.
Just say now you get access inside. Now make I dey ask you. At least common sense will let you know say as you get access to inside, so we know what they happen for there. Now make I dey ask you.
I don't know. No, they ask me.
Maybe madam voice be that. We should go with.
Now your ancestors, now your forefathers.
So now this small question I ask you now, what about the enter maybe? No, you don't insult don't they enter and you don't insult me because this small question I ask you, don't insult me.
No be you see me come they ask me question. As if say me and you they gossip before.
Me, they gossip.
They gossip like woman. You think say I don't know say you they go the other gate, go they gossip with Musa. See make I tell you, any day way you hear shout, carry down your nonsense leg, go inside, go check am. No come ask me question because me I no go answer you.
I don't say this madam way you don't dey pally with. If you say you don't do with Madam Abi. Remember the last time I lock you? Wait till save you that day now. Oga more than I save you. You see this time around nothing go fit save you. You see that my MP what buy that aboki MP what buy with the loud. I go on and raise them. If I raise them, you go no bang. Nobody go no say you. Even madam ask about it, tell her say you go your village. See, they try me Abi. No worry. I go lock you again this one. Is this one? I go lock you. From morning till night. You go knock, your hand go pay you.
Try am.
Go better.
Try am.
Make we better.
Try that nonsense again. You go see what I'm going to do you. Try that nonsense again.
I don't want to with you.
See you. No try me for this compound though. If you try me, I go show you pepper. Oh. Try am again. The last time when you try am, I leave you because Oga Mama dey. Try am again this time. You go see what I'm going to do you. Try me again. Never see shaggy. Nonsense gate man. See his head, big head like you.
Blake. Blake. You've always told me that I'm like a sister to you. And that you will never allow evil before me. Please, I'm about to ask you a question and I want you to answer me in all honesty. Blake, tell me you had no idea of your friend's incapability to perform as a man.
Valerie, I am innocent and I had no idea about this.
Blake, how can you see that? Mom also told me that she had no idea, that Hyacinth did not tell her anything, so I was assuming you would know something.
Well, Hyacinth doesn't tell me everything. Yes.
Come on, Blake.
He's very secretive.
Blake, you are his friend. So why then are you his best friend? I feel he should have told you something.
Valerie, trust me. If I had even the slightest inkling about this, I would have told you about it a long time ago. I mean, besides, this is a top secret. You don't expect him to go around telling people about it.
Blake, you're right. I'm sorry, it's just that I'm devastated. I'm confused.
Valerie, I am very sensitive to your pain and I understand how you feel. Trust me.
I doubt. Blake, I doubt you understand how I feel because at this point, I just want to divorce him. But the thing is, I love Hyacinth so much. I can't leave him.
You guys just got married barely 3 months ago. What do you think people would say if you got divorced? What do you think they'll think? I mean, that is why you have the marital vows. You have to stick to him, for better for worse. He needs you at this trying time. Please. Scarlett. You have to stop this nonsense. I mean, you can't force a man to love you.
You know what they say. Go for what you want.
Look. If you think doing this will make me get married to you, then you're on the wrong path. Because I don't have any plan on getting married anytime soon.
Excuse you?
Oh, yes.
So what do you intend doing? You want to be single for the rest of your life?
Come on. It's okay. Keep your hands to yourself. Well, I'm not planning on being single for the rest of my life, but I'm not even getting married even in the next 3 years.
But let me ask you, are you interested in what the world has to say? Or you're concerned about your own happiness? Let me ask you.
Blake might be right, you know.
Who cares? I don't care about him. In fact, I don't even trust him. I'm suspecting that guy too.
Hello? You're suspecting him? Over what exactly?
He may have the same disability.
Scarlett, can you even stop? What are you saying? Calm down. Why would you say such a thing? Please. It's not possible. It's not true.
Valerie, are you blind? Can't you see? Birds of the same feathers flock together. Now tell me how a handsome man like that would detest a woman so much that he even looked at me in the eyes and said it to my face that he is not ready to get married anytime soon.
Wait. Blake said that to you?
Do I look like I'm lying? Why would I lie over a guy? What do I stand to gain? Blake, what is your problem? No, let me ask you. What is your problem? What did Eve tell you? Why do you hate women so much? Oh. Maybe you have the same disability issues as your friend.
Excuse me, what did you just say?
You heard me.
I think you've overstayed your welcome. I want you to leave now.
Leave? Well, newsflash. I am not going anywhere. I will leave only when it pleases me. After all, you invited me. So baby, I'm staying here with you. You see? Have you seen? I told you. That guy's a suspect. He's not to be trusted. He's weird.
Scarlett, calm down. You still need to calm down, okay? I don't want you to go about spreading the wrong narrative. Okay? He might still have his reason to say, I don't want to have a girlfriend or I don't want to get married. He might still have his reason, but saying he has the same disability as Hyacinth is not it. Come on, calm down.
I don't care. I don't bloody care. I don't care. I know he has. Because make it make sense to me now. I know he has. He's not my problem. You are my problem. I still stand my ground. You are going to leave that marriage. Divorce that man. Baby girl, you will suffer. Oh. You will suffer because his mother will turn against you very soon. You will suffer. My phone will be switched off. You will suffer. You better go and tell him that you're done with this marriage. Men with disability walking up and down, looking at pretty ladies like that, looking at pretty ladies like us and telling us that they're not ready to get married soon. What did you call that? He has disability. It's not working. You know what I mean? It is not working.
Scarlett, it's okay.
I don't care about him. I'm just saying, for your sake, leave the marriage.
You get one person who get the blow. I don't know who the person be. You carry one black jeep like that. I know what open gate for them. I say I confirm from you if I pick my open up. Hey. Okay. You know, I'm always security conscious. You know, your safety is my priority. I need to say guide you. Okay, sir. Well, hey, we stop that nonsense. What's the problem? Where are you blind?
You don't mind the outcome. You don't mind the negative side of it. You don't mind the implication. You don't mind the outcome. You don't mind the negative side of it. Desperate Desperation leads to sin. Desperation.
My friend, take this key. If you like, misplace it. No, that's waiting. That's small picking now.
You just say that to yourself.
This man. See, if not, I'll just scatter your mouth for this compound. The long way again, I be say, now my oga send you, now this guy can't deliver. If not, I'll just not enter your mouth. You get what I call my oga before you enter. If not, I'll just twirl your mouth. Forget this below we get to. I'll just go. I will let some for you. It's up.
The reason you refuse to open this gate is because you think that I'm a thief. If you see thieves, can you stop them from entering this compound? They will just fuck you up and do whatever they want to do and leave.
Your oga, they see me finish. You don't underrate me. I am the CEO of this estate. This is as I'm the chairman, security chairman of this place. I am being security conscious.
Please open the gate for me. Let me leave.
Your girl also na moga allow you come here. Your girl.
Hyacinth, take this key out of my face. Take it out.
Yeah, at least come and see the car I bought for you now. No, come and see it first. This is to apologize for everything I did wrong.
You bought me a car. Let me ask you a question. This car that you bought for me, can it give me a child? Or can it satisfy my sexual urge as a woman? Answer me.
Hey, cars can't do that now. I just don't know what else to do. I'm sorry. Let's just think of the way forward, please.
Fine. It's very okay. Give me the car keys. Only if you are sure that this key will impregnate me and give me a child, or it will satisfy my sexual urge as a woman. Give it to me if you can do that. I'm not saying that, give it to me now. If this car key, now the car you just bought, if you can do what I just said, now give it to me.
I have an idea.
Which is?
Let's do surrogate.
Wait, I want to understand something. What did you say?
I said, can we go for surrogate?
Can we go for surrogates? No, if I want to understand, you're trying to say that I should go out there and get another man's semen inside of me. Is that what you're saying?
We're looking for the way.
You're looking for what? Which way forward? I have a husband, a man that I call my own, a man that paid my bride price and married me well. You're asking me to go for surrogate? Don't tell me to leave my wife. Let me shout. I need to shout. Leave me alone. Let me shout. What kind of stupid idea is that? Maybe I should even allow the man to sleep with me. No! Let's not start trying that because is that what you want? No, if I can use his semen, let him sleep with me.
First.
Oga and Madam now they quarrel again. What did happen for this house? Every time they quarrel. Madam now they shout for Oga again. What did happen for this room? This room, Wait. I don't forget anything. I never hear anything. I don't want to know what did happen for this room. Every time Madam go to quarrel Oga, why did they quarrel? What did happen for that this room? Did they quarrel every time? If I ask this woman, we call herself a maid now, you tell me say, no, I don't know anything. My own is to clean this room. Oh God. But why Oga did they quarrel Madam? I need to know what happened here. I say, hi.
For real? Are you serious? She rejected the car? Have you told your mom about this? Well, I think you should keep the car. She will come around. She will need it. Well, you know women. She's just very angry for now. Okay? She will come around. Right. Just give her some space. Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Alright? Just take your time. I got you. We'll figure this out. You're not alone.
With everything going on in this house, I want to ask both of you if you've come up with any solution. What's the solution?
Mom, there's no solution.
You can't say that. There is nothing in this life that doesn't have a solution. There's always a solution for everything.
Certainly.
Mom, when I say there's no solution, there's no solution. Do you know what Hyacinth is suggesting? That I go for surrogates. Mom, let me explain it to you. He wants me to go out there and get another man's semen inside of me just so I can conceive. Why would my husband say such a thing?
Surrogate.
Okay.
But that is still the best solution.
No! It is not! It is not the best solution! You're my husband! Unless you want me to start cheating on you. Exactly what you heard.
It has not gotten to that.
Out of your mind.
Instead of that surrogacy, why not go for adoption? And now, you can adopt a baby in this house.
Mom,
that's the point.
Mom, you're not understanding this thing.
Make me understand.
You're not understanding. Mom, let me explain to you like a woman that you are. He's my husband. How can I live with my husband, the man that married me, in this house without sexual intercourse till I die? Mom, this is for better for worse now. Okay, even if we decide to adopt a child or do the surrogate thing, what about my husband touching me as a woman? I need my husband. Mom, you're supposed to understand this thing now.
What? Listen, Valerie, don't listen to his mother. Don't! What does she mean by adoption? Will that satisfy you? Look, I've told you. Divorce this guy and have your peace of mind. You're too beautiful to be in this. See, if you leave this guy, there are thousands of men out there that will queue up with their numbers just to marry you, knowing that I found out to have a child. Listen, don't get yourself worked up over him. I've told you. Have you heard him? Fine. Good. Don't worry, I'll call you back. Alright. Take care of yourself. Valerie, I need to take you to a good lawyer.
A good lawyer? To do what?
To start your divorce process.
A good lawyer?
Yes.
To do what exactly?
We need to start your divorce process.
Scarlett? Scarlett, I know that I said I want to divorce him, but I didn't mean like right now. Okay, not now. It's too sudden, don't you think?
No, I don't. The set time is now.
Scarlett, calm down, okay? Yes, I want to divorce him. But we have to take things slowly, like bit by bit. We don't need to rush it.
Exactly. I'm calm. That's why it's a process. We need to start now. So we're going to see a good lawyer.
Many have lost their dignity because of decisions which they made. Just because
Hello, Mom.
You want to become among the best.
I'm on my way coming back. Really? You thought I left already? Come on, Mommy. There's no way I would have left without telling you. You're like a mom to me and you know it. Alright, mommy, I'm already on my way. You see me in a few minutes. Alright, mom, see you. Bye.
Desperation.
How did mom know about it? Who told her? So what are you going to do? So you didn't deem it fit to tell me all this while? So what are you going to do? Well, I think you should divorce her. Just end everything. Do you have another solution to end all this drama? Well, just so you know, that is what Valerie has always wanted. But you want to reveal everything to her. You better keep your mouth shut. Stop behaving like a woman. Be a man.
What's that sweet you today might bring you sorrow tomorrow. Joy and bitterness depends on the choice which you made. This is your choice. Joy and bitterness depends on the choice which you made. No doubt at all. But remember, many have lost. Oh, many have lost their dignity. Many have lost everything. Oh, many have lost their dignity. Many have lost everything. Many have lost their dignity because of decisions which they've made. Just because you want to become among the best, just because you want to become among the best, you don't mind the implication, you don't mind the outcome, you don't mind the negative side.
Since you called me here, you haven't said a word. I thought you said you had something crucial for us to talk about.
Oh, yes. I called you for a crucial discussion.
Then go ahead. What is it?
Yes, I know. I'm just thinking of the right way to, put my words.
I am your mother. Tell me what it is. Okay.
Okay. So, the thing is, in the past, my business wasn't moving so well. Things weren't really going so well as expected. I was frustrated, so I had to talk to my friend Blake about my situation. So Blake took me somewhere.
Bro, what's up? Hyacinth, calm down. What is the problem? Hyacinth, can you calm down and explain yourself so I can understand you? What? Okay, can you come to the house? I'm on my way to the house now. Yes, we'll talk about it, okay? Just calm down. I know. Just be calm. Alright, I'm almost home now. Okay.
Maybe something.
Oh, no. Like, I'm not in the mood for drink right now. Seriously. I want to drink.
Well, I insist.
What kind of life is this? Blake, I'm not in the mood to drink anything.
Bro, just drink up, okay? It'll make you feel better.
Drink will not solve my problem.
This is your brand. Here.
At my shop, nothing is moving well. Tell me drink. After drinking, I'll still go back to the same problem.
Hyacinth, you have to calm down. There's something you must know. What makes you a strong man is when you fall and stand back firmly. So just relax, alright? Your business will be restored.
Restored how? How? Eh? I'm losing customers. I don't even have any... How?
Look. Hyacinth, listen to me. I will not give you a fish. Because if I do, you will still come back in this condition. But I will teach you how to fish. And it's everlasting.
Look, anyone you want to do, just do it fast. And let me get started. Please, just let me get started. I promise that I'll pay back. It's not like it's free. I'll pay back.
Not only will you recover all that you have lost, you shall be introduced to wealth untold. You shall have riches like you never imagined in your life. Money that you can never fathom all your life. But you will have to sacrifice something very special to you.
Something like what?
You will sacrifice your manhood.
You say?
You had me.
I can't sacrifice my manhood though. That's not possible. If I sacrifice my manhood, how will I make children? I mean, this whole hustle is for our unborn children. Eh?
That is the task. You have to delve for the wealth untold. The sacrifice you have to make so that this money will remain with you. You will never be able to make love to a woman all the days of your life.
I can't do this.
And there is no going back. Else, somebody will strike you with madness and death.
I can't sacrifice my manhood. It's not possible. What do you mean that was my choice? Well, that was my choice that I will not have children.
Well, what about me? I can never get married, I can never have a child, so we're even.
Well, you could have told me this now. Explain this thing to me and know if it's what I want to do or what I don't want to do.
Hyacinth, Do I have to tell you everything? Are you a child?
Of course! You could have told me that we're going for money ritual. That is in secret society. Make it open to me and know if I want to do it or not.
Well, I told you that we are going to see a great man.
Because I thought we were going to a church, maybe a pastor to pray for me. That's what I thought.
A church?
Look, please, tell him, okay? Tell him to change the task. Let him look for something else. Let him look for something else because I cannot afford not to have children. Never. Even in my family, we don't engage in anything fetish. We don't do it. Now, even to get out is a problem. That if I leave, I'll die. What kind of stupid talk is that? God knows if I had known, I would never ever go there. I will not. I will even avoid you.
Grandmaster, please, I came to beg on my friend's behalf. I'd like you to give him another tax instead of the first one you gave to him.
The task was given to him by the great Zambaru. There is nothing I or anyone can do about it.
Grandmaster, Zambaru listens to you. There must be something you can do. Please.
Go and give him my message. Go! Go!
You mean he didn't pay attention to me?
Well, I did all I could, and he insisted that you must carry on with the task assigned to you.
Which one is task assigned to me? Blake, you didn't tell me this, so. You're the one that lured me into this.
Hyacinth, I do not want you to blame me now, okay?
What am I supposed to blame? Of course I have to blame you.
But also your own good. I think you're being stressed, and I don't find this funny.
Who is about this? Does it look funny? What I'm talking about, does it look funny? Telling you my predicament, you're telling me funny.
Well, it is not funny. But I mean, have you sat down to think about the wealth, the money, the power, recovering all you've lost? What about me? I had my own tax too. I can never get married or have a child for the rest of my life. So we're in this together.
What kind of problem is this? What did I put myself into? What is this? What do I tell my mother?
Can you just be quiet?
What do I tell my future wife? What?
As if you have killed me.
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was just frustrated.
Could you do that? Why didn't you wait on the Lord? Why didn't you take it to God in prayers? There is nothing God cannot do. Why didn't you wait on God? So you did ritual for money? Really?
Mama, it was just frustration. Nothing was going well for me. I was owing people here and there, problems here and there. Just nothing came on my mind. I just at some point I wanted to commit suicide.
So this is why your friend is still single, right? This is why he's still single. Ha! Hey!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You have killed me now. You have killed me.
I'm sorry. The deed has been done. Just to look for the way
forward. Well, I blame you for this. This should have been a top secret.
What did you do? You went ahead to tell your wife and mother about this.
Because you have no idea how I've been pressured.
Pressure?
Of course! You have no idea!
Well, they would have gotten tired of pressuring you.
Because you're not married. If you were married, you understand what I'm passing through.
Don't you dare speak to me. If not me, it would have been a common rule.
Get your hands off me! Are you mad? Don't you ever in your life try this bullshit? Are you stupid? I'm talking about what you put me through and you're holding my shirt.
Hyacinth! You have broken the law of the Zambani society. I know what your intentions are. But be warned. Do not exempt yourself from tonight's meeting. Hyacinth, be warned, because it shall be disastrous. It shall be disastrous. Hyacinth!
You're trying to tell me that your son, Hyacinth, my husband, sacrificed his manhood for what? For money ritual? Hey! So this is why he doesn't have erection whenever we are together?
It's not about, he didn't sacrifice, it's not money ritual that way. He did it to gain back what he lost. The business he lost.
Well, why are you painting what? Can you just stop painting it? Can't you see it's glaring? It's glaring that your son did money ritual. You telling me he did it to recover his business? They are the same thing. Money ritual, recovering anything is the same thing.
Calm down. Hey. Calm down. That's why I called you to tell you myself. To explain this whole thing myself. Calm down, eh?
Mom, you're asking me to calm down. In this situation, you're asking me, Valerie, to calm down. My husband did money ritual, you are telling me to calm down. Mom, this is unbelievable. So all the affluence and money, wealth you are enjoying in this house is money ritual.
Why I say you should calm down is because it's not something that shouting will resolve. Quarreling or shouting will not resolve anything. It's a spiritual battle and not physical. You understand?
Mom.
Yes.
That is the problem. It is a spiritual battle. Mom, can we fight this battle? This battle is bigger than us.
It's not us. It's not us. It's God. God Almighty. This God that we call once and He answers 7 times. Obinigweka sir, He will answer us. He will fight it. He will fight them and restore my son. If you can only join me in prayers, this will be settled. Oh, Mom, calm down. It's prayers.
Mom, are you sure about this?
My God cannot disappoint us. This God, Chineke, woman, disappoint us. Oh,
now it is adding up.
Just calm down.
Now I'm understanding it. So this is why Blake has been single. This is why he doesn't have a girlfriend. Ever since I knew that guy, I have not seen him with any woman. He doesn't have a relationship, let alone talk about marriage.
You know the Bible says that we should not judge. Let's leave it for God to judge. The Bible says if you judge, thou shalt be judged. Okay? Let's leave it for God. Let's just take it to prayer. God will resolve it. Trust me.
Hey!
God will do it. Oh,
Mom, I need to speak with Hyacinth. Like right now. I need to speak with him.
Wait, take it easy with him, you know? Take it easy with him. Be calm, be calm.
I need to speak with my husband. I need to speak with him!
Take it easy. Hi. Devil is a liar. I will win this battle. Fire to fire.
Hyacinth. Hyacinth, look into my eyes and tell me why you got married to me. Just to keep me in the dark. Tell me.
I am sorry. It's frustration. Frustration is the only thing that can make me do such a thing. I was frustrated to the point of taking my life.
It's frustration!
Yes.
Hyacinth, from your mouth, frustration! This is
unbelievable. I said if anybody had told me that you would do such a thing, I would not believe it. If anybody had told me, even in my dream, I would not believe that you would sacrifice your manhood for money.
Even me, I didn't believe that I would do such a thing. But you see, there is a kind of frustration that will hit you like this. You won't have a choice than to do it. My business, everything was shattered. My life was in shambles. Nothing was moving at all. Nothing. Eh? Nobody to run to.
Hyacinth, how could you have fallen for this? How could you?
The deed has been done. It's to move ahead now.
Hey.
Eh? I'm sorry. Please.
So Blake is this evil? The person that you call your best friend is this evil, and yet he pretends to be a nice person. So he's a ritualist. What am I even saying? Both of you are ritualists.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh my.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Not like he's an evil person. I told him my predicament, and he said to take me to somewhere, something like that. Something like that.
And then you fell for his evil deeds, Hyacinth.
I didn't even know, because when I told him, he said he's going to take me. I was thinking it's even where we are going to borrow money, like a loan to start up a business. Only for me to get there, and it's a shrine. And the way this thing works, once you step your feet in there, that's it. No going back.
Hyacinth, you said you have no idea.
I have no idea.
You don't know.
I have no idea.
Yet you consented to sacrifice your manhood for money.
If I refuse, they will take my life.
Is it not better for you to die? Just look at me. Just look at my life.
How can you refuse?
Now I cannot have my own child. I said, what did I do to you? A decision you single-handedly took for yourself, that you dragged me into your mess because I got married to you. I said, what is all this? Why are you frustrating me? Leave me alone. What is all this? Just look at what you put me into. Leave me. Don't touch me. Don't touch.
What? You don't say. Ha! No wonder Blake was acting so weird. So that guy's a ritualist. Hey!
Scarlett, I was so shocked to my bone when my mother-in-law said this to me. Do you know, till now I still can't believe it. I still can't wrap my head around the whole story. I still can't. Sis, please. I want to beg you, okay? I'm not even supposed to say this to you, but I'm telling you because you're my sister. Please, I beg you. Keep this a secret until we find a solution to it. Please.
Let me get you. Do you intend to continue with that marriage?
Of course I have to. Hey, I can't leave my husband now.
You're sick.
Scarlett, can you calm down? I'm not sick, I'm fine. I can't leave him, okay? He's my husband. I have to be with him through thick and thin. I can't leave him now, please.
Ritualist. Hey! Hey!
So this is where you are doing complete human.
You just walked into my house without my permission to insult me?
Insult you? So your secret society asked you not to get married, right?
Where did you hear that from?
You are not the local organization. Your so-called friend revealed it, that you occultic people ask people not to get married. No wonder you detest women so much. You know, I've always suspected that there was something off about you, but I just couldn't place my hand. I didn't know that you were nothing but an incomplete human.
Now listen to me, Scarlett. I will not have you walk into my house to insult.
Oh, you don't need to stress it. Because no human being would want to breathe 1 second of air in this house. A house that smells blood. Get out! Please don't shout, I beg, I will leave. Who wants to stay in this house? that the foundation is built on blood and human heads. Incomplete babe.
Blake! Where is your friend Hyacinth?
He is not present, sir.
Tell your friend that the child that dances Suruga the dance in the market square does not know that Suruga the dance is the dance of the spirit. Demis,
Grandmaster.
the month is coming to an end. I hope you remember your sacrifice.
Yes, Grandmaster.
Hyacinth, are you aware that you were playing with Tiger's tail? Well, if you don't remember anymore, just return all the wealth given to you and return to acting point. Did you hear? Hello? Hello? He just come home.
Hyacinth, Valerie, what has happened. But I think I have a suggestion that could work. It could help. What?
What's the suggestion?
I suggest we invite a man of God to come and pray in this house. In fact, to conduct deliverance on you. I'm sure by the time the man of God prays with you, your manhood will be restored. Manhood will be back. By the time he's done. That's my suggestion. And I know it will work.
That means I have to denounce the confraternity.
You're still talking about confraternity. Hyacinth, you're still talking about confraternity. Hey, Mom, you see this one? I support you on this. You see this pastor is going to come to the house. Isn't it better for you to denounce them and denounce everything that concerns them so you have children? And you're still talking about confraternity. Mom, I support you. A pastor will come to this house. Same confraternity.
Denouncing the confraternity is something I need to think about, Mama. I need to...
What are you thinking about? Hyacinth, you're not thinking about anything. You are not thinking about anything at all. I don't support you on this one. I said he wants to think. What are you thinking about?
Please calm down.
Mom, a pastor will come to this house and conduct a deliverance service on him so that his distance will be restored.
It's okay.
Think about it.
A pastor must come to this house. Deliverance must be conducted in this house. You'll be delivered so that your manhood can come back. Eh? Are you thinking about others at all? You need to call your husband also. If you don't want the pastor to come, so you want to cage another person's daughter like this in this house, or this name, you can't do that. Don't be selfish. Think about it. At least so that she can get pregnant and give me grandchildren. So they'll pray. Even there, you know, you come together. A pastor must come. Now.
What's that sweet you today might bring you sorrow tomorrow. What's that sweet you today might bring you sorrow tomorrow. Joy and bitterness depends on the choice we choose.
Father, you said you are there in our midst, oh Lord. Father, in the name of Jesus, I come against every evil forces in my home, oh God. Whatever forces that want to destroy my home, I plead the blood of Jesus, oh Lord. I plead the blood of Jesus, oh Lord. Father, I come against them in the name of Jesus. Lord, I cast out by the God, and I send them into the atmosphere of God. Wherever they have gathered, to scatter my home, in the name of Jesus. I come against them. Father, restore my husband, in the name of Jesus. Whatever power that is holding me, in the name of Jesus. Lord, I come against them. Lord, I
Amen.
Father Lord, we thank you for answering all our prayers.
Thank you, Jesus.
There are a lot of evil spirits in this house.
Fire of the Holy Ghost.
But God has taken absolute control.
Amen.
Amen.
Can I discuss with you privately outside?
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Oh, come.
Will you come along?
No. Mr. Hassan, when I was praying, the Holy Spirit revealed something to me.
Something like what?
There is a ring in this house here that the occultic master gave to you.
So what about the ring?
You have to destroy it. You have to destroy it so that you'll be free from them. And then restore back your manhood. But you will go back to poverty.
I will go back to poverty. Ha! That one is not possible. That one is not possible at all. It's not possible. Just look for some other way. You can just shortcut this whole thing. Not going back to poverty. You know how far I've gone in life? You want me to go back to square one?
That means you have not denounced the devil and his work.
Pastor, just find another thing to say, please. How can you suggest such a thing now?
Mr. Hassan, you have what belongs to them, which fetched you money. You have to give it back to them so that they will take everything that belongs to them and restore back your manhood.
This is hard. This is very hard.
Wait a minute, Pastor. You are telling us that there is a ring in this house.
Yes.
That once my husband brings out that ring, that is the solution to all of our problems.
And my son has refused to bring that ring for us to destroy it.
Yes, I tried to advise him, but he refused. That is the only solution.
What is all this now? Eh? What is wrong with Tyson? What is wrong with him? Well, we need to talk to him now.
This boy will not kill me in this house. He will not kill me in this house.
Pastor, please, can you tell me the exact place that ring is so I won't bring it myself? Yes! Mama, we've been looking for solutions to this problem since now that we are seeing the solution. He's refusing to bring out the ring. What's all this?
Yes, it's in this house, but him alone can touch it. He alone can bring it. It belongs to a secret society. If we give it to them, they will give him back his manhood. But he will lose everything. I mean, this weight.
Mom, sure you can see it now. You can see what your son is doing. Come on to bring out a common ring so that this whole problem will be solved. I said as refused. What kind of a thing is this?
Honestly, I'm confused. The worst part is that he doesn't want to have children. I don't understand it.
Hey, high sense. High sense. High sense. You cannot run away from the truth. Wherever you are, you will go and come back and meet me in this house. We must talk about this thing. What is all this?
Sweetheart, calm down. Okay? Just calm down. He will come around.
Mom. Mom, Mom, it's not about coming down. Mom, I have been coming down. Things are getting worse. Things are spoiling. You need to talk to your son. Talk to him.
And I said I will talk to him. Just calm down. I will have a word with my son. Okay? Calm down.
The truth is that I'm devastated. I am tired. I'm tired. And as for that one that calls himself Blake, he's the cause of the whole issue on ground. He needs to come and fix this thing. He caused it.
Honestly, I never knew that boy was this bad.
Hey!
He's a wicked boy. And he can't even fix this. He can't do anything. But I will have a word with my son. You see that ring? He will bring it out.
You should bring it though.
He will bring it out. He will bring it out in Jesus' name.
Amen. He has to bring it.
Jesus' name.
Amen. Amen. He has to bring it out.
Go the ring more. Bring it out. Hyacinth, what has come over you? You want to remain childless for the rest of your life? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Do you ever consider your wife's feelings at all? Do you consider her at all in your decisions? Really? Can you hear yourself talk? I said, can you hear yourself talk? Hyacinth! Hyacinth! What is wrong with this boy? Hyacinth,
nothing is impossible when God is on your side. Nothing is impossible.
Hyacinth, make sure you don't bring out that ring, or you will become poor for eternity.
Are you listening to them? Who's ready to bring it out? My wife can go. I don't care.
Yeah. Well, you have to go and seek help from the Grandmaster.
He's not happy with me because I tried to pull off.
Well, he doesn't know about that, and I'm very certain he'll attend to you.
You think so?
I know so.
Okay, I'll do it. Let me finish up the project I have at hand.
That's the right thing to do.
It doesn't matter. This love have come to stay. This love has come.
Do you realize that you are the reason my husband is into the mess he is right now?
Valerie, why are you blaming me for helping my friend?
Is that what you have to say to me? No, I'm asking you, is that what you have to say to me?
What else am I supposed to say to you? You're blaming me for helping my friend.
Is that what you call help? Blake, I'm asking you, is that what you call help? You forced my husband to join a secret society that ruined his life, and you're sitting here telling me that you helped him. A man that his manhood is not working is as good as dead. What are you saying?
Well, that is your own philosophy. I mean, that's your own context. I don't even understand what you're talking about.
Blake, it is obvious to me that you did this intentionally. Oh yes! You know what? I didn't even come here to banter words with you, okay? I came here to advise you to tell your friend to return back that evil ring you people gave to him so that they can restore back his manhood.
Well, your husband is an adult. I will not tell him what to do. Okay?
Really? You will not tell him what to do? Blake, you are an evil person. In short, you are the devil himself. So let me tell you, if anything happens to my husband, Blake, you will not like what I will do to you. Evil man, rubbish. Evil man, rubbish.
Do you hear me?
Mama, I can't do it. Please. I don't mean to disrespect you or disobey you, but I cannot do it. If she wants to go, let her go. It's very simple.
Can you hear yourself talk? Are you serious right now? Are you being serious? That your wife can go?
She wants to go, let her go. I mean, what are you saying? Eh? You asking me So I should go back to poverty? After all these years? I should go back to poverty? I'm sorry, I can't do it.
I said it's God that gives money and not the devil. The devil cannot give you anything good.
Mama, I tested that for years and it wasn't funny. I can't afford to go back to poverty. Please, let her go. All this is because of children, right?
Of course I want to carry my grandchildren.
Don't worry, say no more. Let me go to Motherless Babies Home and pack children. If you want 50 kids, I'll bring them to this house. That's not a problem. I'll bring them I'll pack them, male or female or different ages. I'll bring them for you.
Hyacinth.
Mama, leave this thing. Don't hyacinth me. I can't do it. I'm sorry, please.
Hyacinth, Mama. Because think about it.
Mom, when I wanted to leave this marriage, I wanted to live in peace. Your son Hyacinth literally begged me, Mom. He begged me like his life depended on it. He begged me to stay back and then I stayed back. And now he wants me to leave. I'm not leaving this house. This is my home. I will stay here.
You are not living anywhere. So don't be afraid of anything. Don't even bother. Don't freak out, okay? This is your home. And that boy must bring out this ring. Akila,
Mom, are you sure? Are you sure he's going to bring out this ring? Because this ring is important.
Don't bother yourself. I said he will bring out the ring. I will make him bring out this ring.
Okay, Mom, I'm suggesting something. I want to suggest that you talk to his friend Blake. So that Blake can talk to him. You know he's his best friend, he might just listen to him.
Blake will not help us in any way. And I won't talk to him for any reason. My son will bring that ring out. He must do it.
Mom, I know, but you're still not understanding me. I'm trying to say that there is no harm in trying. Let's just try. Who knows, he might just listen to him.
I am understanding you. It's you that don't understand me. I am his mother. I will make him bring out this ring. Stop bothering yourself so much. Why are you freaking out? Calm down. This is your house. And nobody will push you out of this house. Do you hear me? He will bring out that ring. He must.
Alright, Mommy, I believe you. Let's just bring out this ring so that everybody can have peace in this house.
Simple.
I'll
win that devil.
Hey!
Wait. Honestly, I am speechless. He's asking you to what? Divorce him and leave? So he wants to divorce you now. When you were begging him that you wanted to leave the marriage, he said you should stay. Now he wants to divorce you?
Scarlett, my sister, you're saying it now. You've seen it. You've seen what the man I call my husband, you've seen what he said to me.
You know, this man does not care about you. This man wants to keep you in this house. He wants to be using you until you grow old and every other man out there will lose interest in you.
Come on. Scarlett, calm down. It's not it, okay? I know that Hyacinth loves me. He loves me. It's just that this period, I don't know what is wrong with him. It's this whole ring thing. He loves me. Don't say that. I don't think so. Yes.
You don't know.
See, Scarlett, I'm not divorcing my husband. I am not going anywhere. You see this marriage? I'm in this marriage. I'm going to stay in this marriage. As far as I'm concerned, I can't divorce him.
Valerie, why?
Because he's my husband. He got married to me. He paid my bride price. That is why I will not leave this marriage. We are stuck together. It is for better for worse. They just do us, but I'm not going anywhere.
What is your problem? What is your problem? Do you want to suffer?
Is it not better for me? Is it not better for me to suffer and have children than to be in wealth and not have children of my own? It's better for me. I love Hyacinth so much. I cannot leave him. There's no other man for me out there. That is it. Please.
Valerie, is this love? No, let me understand. Is this love?
This is love. This is love. I don't know how you're seeing this thing. You just want me to wake up one morning and then leave my marriage just like that. I can't do that. It is better for me to suffer and have children than to be in affluence and wealth and not have children. Hyacinth is my husband. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not.
You should just bring the ring. You should just bring the ring.
Hey, that's what we should be saying. He should bring out the ring. He will bring it. He will bring it.
Your work?
See, you came for the ring. can never find it. No matter how hard you search, you can never, ever find it.
I said, do you want us to remain childless? Is that what you want?
Well, I just said what I said. So stop doing what you're doing.
I sense this is a lie from the pit of hell because it's not going to happen.
Look, at this point, I think if you're not cool with the way things are going, you can just leave.
Me?
Yeah.
Leave? See, I know you're joking, you're not serious. What are you saying? You want me to leave this house after you finish using me, you want to dump me? When other students were coming to seek for hand in marriage, did you not come and marry me? And now you want a divorce? It's a lie.
Well, I didn't use you. Everything is still intact. You have never done it before. Besides, this is what you've always wanted. You wanted divorce, right? You want divorce. You told me you want divorce. Now I'm giving it to you. Okay, because if you want to stay and you want money, then you stay and spend money. I don't disturb my peace. It's very simple.
High sense!
You leave.
High sense!
Yes, you heard me.
High sense! I am not going anywhere. Maybe I wanted it before, but now I'm not going anywhere. We are stuck in this together forever and ever!
Okay, then give me peace of mind. You're telling me where's the ring. You want me to go back to poverty? I can't do that, please.
High sense! I'm talking to you, you're walking out on me! We are not done with this conversation. Come back, oh! Come back, let's talk about this thing! How did they do this? How did they get into this kind of mess? High sense! High sense! Come back, about this thing!
You have to calm down. Don't get yourself pissed over this. Calm down. Okay?
Mom, if he's being pissed, I'm very pissed. I'm very, very pissed. Why will my husband look at me and tell me to leave this house if I want to leave? Why will he say such a thing?
Well, you know that he's not in the right frame of mind. Don't take what he says serious. He doesn't know what he's saying. Okay?
Mom, Hyacinth knows what he's doing. I bet you he knows exactly what he's doing. He knows!
No, my dear. When someone is not in the right frame of mind, he can actually say what he doesn't mean. If you ask him what he said now, he won't even remember that he said it to you. But one thing I'll promise you is that you're not leaving this house and you will have a child in this house. So don't take what he says seriously. Okay?
Mom. Or should you just even invite Blake? Let's just invite him.
Vlad, do you know I actually blame you for everything that is happening in my son's life, right?
I mean, please, nobody should blame me for anything. I mean, I didn't force him.
No, I will blame you for everything. My son said that you never told him where you were taking him to until he got there. And there was no turning back.
Oh, well, that is why he has to return the ring, and I'm not stopping him.
And that's exactly why I came to see you. For us to have this discussion.
Okay, I'm all ears.
I want to beg you to tell my son to bring her that ring so we can burn it and end all this drama in my house.
Mom, I mean, you know that Hyacinth doesn't listen to him.
No, on the contrary, he listens to you and disobeys me. That's the only reason he followed you to wherever you took him to and he sacrificed his manhood.
Well, that was a different context.
No, we're talking about the same thing actually. It's the same thing we're talking about.
Alright, if you insist, I will talk to him and I hope he listens.
And not even if I insist, I'm begging you. I am begging you in the name of whatever you believe to talk to my son to bring that ring out. Please.
I'm sure you will.
This house, something is going on. For Oga Blake to come out like this, I sure say something will go on for this house. Because I never see Oga Blake just come out the way she take come out. You know, they normal. Something is wrong somewhere in this compound. But I must find out. As the security officer of this house, I must find out. Huh? This girl will call herself Miranda B. Miranda. She don't agree to tell me anything. As the security officer of this house, I'm supposed to know what is going on. Because as I see this house like this, fire they burn inside. Fire they burn inside this house. But they don't want to tell me, but I must definitely find out. They need to tell me as the security officer so that I can call fire service. So they can stand by in case if the fire do boom for this house. And the fire do kaboom, they will be able to stand and do.
Grandmaster, I know I made a mistake by inviting a pastor in my house in the first place. But right now, I don't know what to do. The pressure is too much on me. I need your help, please.
What do you want?
I don't know if there's a way you can make my mother and my wife to forget about bringing out the ring. Maybe a spell or something that will make them forget about it completely.
I assent. You cannot eat your cake and have it back. That is the cost you have to bear for revealing the secret. The choice remains yours. Bring out the ring and become poor, or keep the ring and maintain your wealth. The ball is in your court to play.
What's that sweet you today might bring you sorrow tomorrow. What's that sweet you today might bring you sorrow tomorrow. Joy and bitterness depends on the choice which you make. This is your choice. Joy and bitterness depends on the choice which you make. No doubt at all. But remember, many have lost. Oh, many have lost their dignity. Many have lost. Many have lost everything. Oh, many have lost. Many have lost their dignity. Their dignity. Many have lost everything.
Miranda.
Yes, madam.
What are you doing with the mop and bucket? Are you going to mop the visitor's room?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I see. You know what? Never mind. Just leave with it, okay? Don't bother mopping it.
Madam, you know Oga is still for this room sometimes.
I'm aware of that. And that is why I'm giving you an instruction. On no account should I see you in that room, okay? Don't ever enter that room. Don't mob it, don't clean it, leave it the way it is dirty. Down to the best part, don't change it. Don't do anything in that room. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Miranda, have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I do not want to see you in that room again. Alright?
Yes.
Now leave with your stuff.
Desperation leads to sin. Desperation can kill a man. Satan can give you only the shadow or negative. I'm taking the original. The shadow. Only the shadow.
Madam, don't save me stress today. I don't go stress myself, go mop that room again. Today,
mean your auntie told you not to arrange the room?
Yes, sir.
She told you not to arrange the visitor's room?
Yes, sir. Now waiting she talk.
Okay. Why did you tell Miranda not to clean the visitor's room?
That is because I have noticed that that particular room has been your room instead of a matrimonial room.
Do you have a problem with that? I can choose to sleep anywhere.
Really?
Yes.
Hyacinth, you see this whole character, this whole drama that you're putting up. I bet you will regret it. Hyacinth, you will regret this thing you are doing.
I will not regret it.
You will not regret it. Fine, there's no problem. Go to the visitor's room. Go and sleep there. I'm not holding you. Take. Go and sleep there.
When it's not cleaned.
And how is that supposed to be my business? Huh? How is it supposed to be my business? I'm asking you, talk.
I should go and sleep in there. You don't even care if it's dirty or I should go and sleep there.
Oh, like you care about me. No, I've seen you that care about me, about my feelings and my emotions. Rubbish.
You're pushing me. Stop this thing you're doing. You're pushing me. Stop this thing you're doing.
What do you want to do?
No, I can't hit you. I'm just telling you. This thing that you're pushing me. So you don't even care about your husband anymore.
I said there is nothing you have not done to me. You have done everything to me. So if you want to hit me, go ahead and hit me. Hit me now. Hit me. Nonsense. I should care about you. I've seen you that care about me. Rubbish. Your drugs is here. Babe, you need to sit up so you can take your drugs, okay? Get up. Babe, you need to get up now. Baby. Babe, if you don't take your drugs, you will not be fine. Remember, you have some investors coming in next week, and I'm sure you don't want them to meet you like this. Baby, please, you need to get up, okay? Get up, get up, get up. Sorry, easy. Sorry, baby. Sorry, baby. Get up so you can take your drugs. Sorry. I want to help you. Really?
Don't worry.
Sorry. Okay. Here, baby. Here. Your water. Okay. Give your hand so you can take your drugs. Oh, sorry. We need to take it now so you feel better. Sorry. Yeah. Good boy. You still want the water? Oh, sorry. Good baby. Alright? Thank you for what exactly?
Thank you for being here for me. Thank you for all the love and kindness. I appreciate it.
Baby, you have to stop. Stop! You don't need to do that, okay? What you just need to do now is to lie down and sleep so you feel better. Alright? I love you, baby. Okay, you need to sleep. Come on. Go in. Alright.
Jesus Christ. It's essential.
Thank you, Jesus. 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 Thank you, Jesus.
Hyacinth, as you have returned the ring to the great Zambari altar, today I strip you of every wealth given to you by the great Zambari, and I restore back to you your manhood.
My bundle of joy.
Our bundle of joy.
Our bundle of joy. Are you okay? Mama, my love.
Baby, ask her if she's hungry. She
My
has not
love.
eaten, no.
My love.
Nne.
She ate bread in the morning.
This one is 200.
Mama, go and eat. 10,000 is 200. Mama, come.
Yeah.
No, it's 200.
Nigeria,